Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
And now, welcome to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Top of the morning to you, Jamaica. Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the Real Jamaican Talk Show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly Master Ragashanti. Wants blessings and respect to all massive and blessings and respect to the Most High. Enough respect, manners and respect to all LL people. I'm telling you now, man. Flu, remember that little lingering cold. Well, it's turning a flu now. When I tell you, it mash me up. But you know what day I got to see him. Reggie up in the studio. Ruth is not here today. Ruth says she have flu. But I hide and talk. Well, Ruth not there just because she have flu. Probably the flu that bad makes you not there. But more time when flu lick the work. If you don't see him in a rote. Where you depend? Okay. When we are dead, we come in for the work. See you. Where you say, Reggie? Ruth talk cuss, but we don't care. You know, take care for coming upon the work, see every man. Well, I say blessings and respect to all massive and all crew out there, you know. And thing. Greetings and respect right just upon the real boom station indeed. New Start 93 FM. Big up all massive out there, all of the ghetto fabulous people, them stay so. That's how we say. All them uptown family, them all people of influence and affluence. Enough respect, yeah. And to the few people them out there who don't like the show but still listen every day. We are big enough anyway. See, enough respect. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Hey, the Broadcast Commission is one of them no please job there. You know, when them do them job, no people are going to have issue with them. Because I did have issue with them at one point. But they're in a very difficult position, in a particular with a country like this that's filled with so many contradictions. You know, we have a strong concentration of fundamentalist Christians and extremely conservative people of faith who demand, if it were up to them, probably only one station that day in Jamaica, Love FM. And at the same time, Jamaica is filled with people who are totally uninhibited, free-spirited, totally comfortable with their sexuality and so forth. So you have these extreme agendas, competing for favor, from the Broadcast Commission. Cannot be an easy job at all. So sometimes I see them do them thing and whatever, take time with them and whatever, because sometimes we talk about walking a tightrope. Yeah, man. Hey, the topic this week is what? Why woman a beat up other woman for man, right? A big thing that's in Jamaica, right? Would it touch it one long time over so, and it mash up the place. See? So what we are saying is, this prevalence out there right now, and if not found in unknown, it probably not come from certain community, but it is quite common in Jamaica. It's cultural, for this thing where woman a beat other woman over man. Now, we know say other woman out there when they don't like it. And there a percentage out there, that's how that never beat a next woman over on the man and all them something. But in many other circles, many other spheres, and many other scenarios, which part we are grew up, it's quite common for see woman a beat the next woman for man, right? And in fact, one time woman all look man. One time, Reggie, when me did have a Mark II, a white Mark II. And there are certain here and down a sound. And I want she drive for me and she said, wrong me like, very me like, whatever. And I tell you, it's like how me like you. I just want to know, say, anyway, just like say, you gotta accept some me like you. I want to know any girl me see a lean upon a car the way me like you, Raga. I done them. But what was interesting about that, this is an approach, Reggie. Turn on your microphone. This is an approach. She's making an advance. She's expressed the first time she attacked to me. And her way of communicating her like for me knows that she like me. It's just that she will beat up her next woman, That, what you think about that?
There's this thing about, like, I guess I'll say in Jamaica that the heavy thing on your defense of territory. And it start with the turf thing.
Yeah.
And it kind of spread to territory now. You have your person, you defend them to anybody come try the word on the street is violate.
Yeah.
You have to defend it.
But here's the dilemma. We know some man, things are going on and now when man does turn the violent thing against the next man if man look. But here's the dilemma. In general, and I don't know if you'll agree with me, it's mostly woman a fight woman in other contexts where you just explain. It's woman a beat up a next woman over them man, You don't see man a do the same thing, You don't see, you don't hear a man say, brother, I like him, I go war him. Because I'm like you. You understand what I'm saying? Why is that? Why is that?
In the male part now, you look on that now as a sign of weakness kind of, cause you're not supposed to fight or you're supposed to, if you find say a next man to take your woman or something.
Yeah.
It's like there's this quote thing where, enough woman out there, so man have to fight over a girl. Man love say it's a big thing out the road where you can say man have to fight over a woman. Man have to fight the next man over a woman.
But is there
That's what I find still.
Okay, but me see what you say. It's like, okay, me kind of see it. So that is the cultural meaning. That's the principle where you're supposed to live by. As a man, you know for doing it. But it still begs it, from a fairly academic standpoint, it still begs the reason. Why is that profound difference there and thing? And what me I say? And because I touch a point there, because I say, fully put woman out there. Is it the case that a good man is so hard to find that when a woman find a good man, it stands to reason why she going more like if I want to beat up a next woman or a woman? Or is it the case that it's easier for we because, when a woman, for example, have two picnic or whatever, face it, unfortunately, you have 2-3 picnic, the way it's set up, less likely a man are going to want there with you and whatever, this and that. So it's more likely a woman are going to want defend the one when she have. That's how it go. You think so them factors are playing, eh?
Yeah, I think that definitely a factor.
But do you think that this thing, you witness it out there too, in terms of you grow up this whole thing where woman are beat up other woman are defend, the man and a beat as soon as they hear anything, that is to take it to our next woman straight.
Yeah, I find that too.
Yeah, but me grew up amongst it, and it's like the thing to do. Them joke about it and laugh about it, and you hear it in the music and Ray, and then you have a little thing out there though, but I don't know if you hear it, For a long time it did, but it take a big time now. It's a take a to the woman, them take a girl, man, and you no response, and Ray. The woman them talk openly about it now. So them take a girl, man, and if she want to defend it, she defend it, and the idea is that if you rate the man so much and you want the man, you must be prepared to beat up a woman for him and thing.
Yeah, it's funny. Like, I find even situations where you go all party and girl go all a party specifically for see next girl for go beat them up.
Yeah.
Like, me experience that already.
Yeah, experience that. Yeah.
Them got the thing specifically for
because them know say so and so go dead. Come and call them come and dust a girl and Ray. And them think they go out no, for real, man, for real.
And that's what you would have called, I guess you'd have said the uptown circle, I don't know.
An uptown circle you attacking?
Yeah, no.
For real?
No, like saying some downtown girl.
Yeah.
The regular same uptown
so wait,
girl.
Yes, an uptown girl and I beat up a man over for man too?
Well, me see it already, yeah.
For real? It's interesting. And again, so we're not too focus on, to like heavily, verbose intellectual content on the show and thing. But people want to call and tell we, give us some story on the line because we don't want no fight. Yo, it's the last year what we do it. A woman called one time and she said, yes, Raga. What she said? She said, me and my man, wife, if it does a girl what there. I said, wait, what you say? Is that woman that she said, me and my man, wife, if it does a girl. I said, what you just say, you and your man, wife? She said, yeah. My man have him wife. But me I pick the film, she pick the film, and me and the wife live good. But one girl coming like she want to join, and we just said, no third party around here. We have to beat her, Raga. That's a Reggie, I nearly dead. Over here on the Montego Bay there. She said, no third party around here. So the thing set up. So we're going to deal with Can You Believe It now, but when we come back on the phone line, that we are deal with. Why woman a beat? Why so many women a beat up at a woman over man, see? And give us some Susan mix up on that. But anyway, right now we go to...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yeah, man, and for Can You Believe It this morning, well, for those of you who don't know, in New York City, the job of a doorman is actually very important. New York City is filled with apartment building, massive apartment building, and the job of the doorman is actually, you have to actually be trained for it, and a careless job. You have to be trained for it. In most of the buildings, you're uniformed, and it's very professional. You have your union and them something there, right? So a big thing. But in New York, them suspend the doorman here because I'm bad breath. Boy, I tell you, I have to be careful about that because sometimes people can read it. A Manhattan doorman who has been suspended for having bad breath. Jonah Seaman, who has been ushering tenants into a 4-building complex on East 89th Street for 40 years. 40 years he might do this, was told not to come to work Friday because of halitosis. No, halitosis can't cure? I don't think so. I don't know. Well, for those of you who don't know, halitosis is a fairly permanent form of bad breath. It's not just wake up in the morning and your mouth smell. It's a thing when you could have brushed your teeth till you're weak, your breath still stink. Anyway, Seaman said he has stopped eating garlic, uses mouthwash, and takes breath mints on the job. The Brooklyn resident, who supports his 81-year-old mother, has been suspended twice before for bad breath, one day in May and then again in July. Apartment dwellers at the Gracie Gardens complex expressed surprise over Seaman's suspension and came to his defense. His job, which he does well, is opening the door, not to be opening his mouth, said Adam Reingold. Officials with Cooper Square Realty, the management company that oversees the property, did not return calls seeking comment. But the company sent the doorman a letter dated November 21 stating, "We can no longer tolerate the fact that you have severe breath odor while on duty." The union that represents Seaman, Local 32BJ of the Service Employees International Union, has filed a grievance in the case. Why, that must be really rough, You go, man, and say, yo, Benji, what you do ya? Wait me, man. Jonah, what you do ya? Why them not let me go? What make? I don't really want to get in that way. I get fired for bad breath. Well, Reggie, look. I have my Orbit gums here with me today. I am shaking them so you can hear. I have my Orbit gum. Oh, God, I feel like eating one right now. Here we go. Take out one of my Orbit gums. Oh, there you go. All right. Okay. Well, look at that. My breath is fresh. Okay. I'm eating my Orbit gum, and my breath is fresh. Anthony Abrams, you cannot fire me for bad breath. Anthony Abrahams, you cannot fire me for bad breath because I'm eating my Orbit gum. Well, I'm really chewing my Orbit gum. And my breath is fresh. Okay? And so there you have it. New York City doorman, them suspend the brother because him breath bad. Why? Things sticky upon him up in our Christmas, yeah. And thing. The halitosis thing, the rough doing. I care what you're doing in the left, you know. That was...
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yo. We got the car saloon crew down this upon Old Hope Road. And I probably should stop chewing the gum now, though. People going to be annoyed with it. But I'm doing a car saloon in a Reggie. I want to look at elderly man, he might be in his 50s or so. So we did there fast, you know, the woman who working at the office and we did there fast. We don't know what really go on, but we just a pick sense out of nonsense. Cause, you know, some get it, some drop it, you see me? You hear the man on him phone. They on him phone for a while. I don't care. Give me back my chip. Bring back my chip. I say, I want back my chip. You're not a good woman. You're not a good person. Give me back my chip. Give me, and him a go on, but him depend. Him a listen for a while, and him a say, give me back my chip. Me not care. I want back my chip. And then, after about 5-10 minutes of that, you hear what the man go say. I can't believe you go put arguments to one of my co-workers, them. A man who may I work with, you go put arguments to him. Give me back my chip. And Mr. Reggie, I nearly dead. The woman in the office, she start to roll because, you know, if you hear my talk, you can't imagine. Nothing more than he must like this a woman here and get the woman one phone chip. And to the woman must see and look at man where she like, who him I work with. The man a take back him phone chip. Anything can kill this, so. Anything can work, so. You can't get woman phone chip and a take back phone chip because she like somebody who you work with. Slackness. And you want to hear the man loud in that place in that quiet and feel, I want back my chip. I don't care. Bring back my phone chip. I can't believe you're going to put arguments to one of my co-worker. I want back my chip. Why I hope she never do nothing for that chip. I think that's sticky. Anyway, I'm going to break and come back. I don't know a phone line I do it. I mean, I read your juggling idea in the car. Root their doctor. So we just want to say, Root, just do what you have to do to feel better, yeah? Just talk to and root their doctor and things. So you don't know. Sound the big thing. Connect. Break.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. And we there chat about the increase in the amount of woman out that were beat up by the woman over man. Right to the phone lines we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to family members, friends, and foes.
All right.
And Babe Ruth, hurry up and get well. Mr.
Right.
Bell and you are doing good work anyway. But, you know, without Babe Ruth.
You see.
Your friend Scotty, I don't know what happened. He did work on Friday.
Yeah, I look at thing reach him, you know, so I'm have to take care of it, you know.
Okay, well, I'm glad to know.
All right. But him all right,
Yes. What I'm saying, as I said, up, you know, for frightened.
Yeah.
And most of us females, we are weak. So we don't take it to the man.
What do you mean most of the females are weak? What do you mean by that? Some women are
Most
going to hear you say that and say, what?
can't fight.
Most women can't fight?
Exactly.
Well.
That is why them love for traits.
Okay.
Them out of them biggest weapon, but you have some of them are real hardcore and thing, and you see through my body so DMT and me so fine.
Yeah.
Me try to stay out of problem, me name trouble, but me know how to avoid it.
So how that connect with the topic now?
No, you were saying why women fighting over man and all them things.
Yeah.
Well, if the man really sincere and genuine, him not go allow him woman to be in such a position. But some of them love the hype and all them things, so them love to know, say, in every corner, woman a fight over them.
No, but man can. Sometimes a man can't control a woman from fight the next woman over him, you know. Because sometimes the woman a run the thing independent of the man. The man don't even know what go down.
I agree.
You see it?
And you have some of them also will lie. That's why I'm in love with the hardcore woman that can take it to the man himself. Because if they never go on and I tell other woman lie, that would not.
No, but well, that is one of the things that I always argue with people about in other situations. But what I'm saying is, you have woman who can take it to the man, and no problem I take it to the man. But for some reason, them just feel say the person them for take it to is the woman, is the other woman, and them don't care. Hello?
I'm here.
Yeah. You have some woman who rules so.
Well, as I said, you already made some good points. Answer what really not to the sense side. Although me here, so you have some man who really fight over the woman because them see the quality and all them thing. But for them case, minimal compared to ours.
Oh, all right then, Trouble. Bless up here.
Okay, have a blessed day.
Yeah, man. Enough respect, man. Here we go. Next call, morning.
Yeah, Raga morning.
What you say?
Yeah, listen. I don't know what
Hey,
it is.
girl.
Yeah, guess what? I don't know what you see. I'm gonna tell you. I know if I because I was socialized to say, you know, the man for have enough woman. You understand me? Because notice, yeah, woman have no problem. Them are beat down a girl for take them man.
Well, you notice it too?
Yeah,
as a
Raga,
woman.
that's a common thing.
Common
You understand
thing.
me?
No, sometimes I love when ask, you know, because sometimes people may think say me just assess on my
No,
opinion.
it
And them don't know it's a outer road thing, a regular thing, right?
It happen, and listen another dynamic to it too. A girl and her friend them will gang up and beat down a girl.
Regular
Take her
thing that
friend,
go on.
man. Because she this. You understand? Because
You see?
say, you know, she out of order. She take my friend, man.
You see?
I see, the girl will ask, seek out, and go tell her a girl, say so and so there with her man.
Yeah.
You understand me?
But when I say there's an energy out there where it's like them live feet. You know,
Yes,
some
yes.
woman all vex when them there with a man and them can't identify the other woman where him involved with because it's like them not get the
want the
opportunity
war.
for show them love.
Them want the war.
Honestly to God, you never noticed that yet?
Yeah, them want the war.
Them want the war.
Them want the war because it's like you know I'm me the wife, I'm me the this. You understand?
You
me?
see it. So feed them way that for sure say,
Yes.
me love you so and so.
Is
I'm
that-
there with so and so. I met the world know say I'm me there with so and so because I'm me beat her.
Yeah.
You ever hear woman talk and say,
them up for Trace and them up for Karen and them up for
well,
Juan.
Mary, you ever hear some woman talk and say like, say them have a there with a man named Trevor. Them say, oh, me not left Trevor, you know much girl me have to beat her for him.
Yes.
You ever hear them talk?
And me can cook him fish tea.
Yeah.
And me can wash him clothes.
Yeah.
And me can this and me. And don't talk about the sexual part. You understand me? The part that's endless.
Boy.
Where only them can do. And them have the glimmer tea.
You
and
see
the
it.
glimmer tea.
You see
And,
it.
you know, I play them things. And you're already there talk. Man beat. But yeah, the man beat. No, the man beat the woman. Him now go take it to the man.
To the man.
Him beat the woman in the house. This. Or if you take man on top of me.
You see it.
You understand
You
me?
see it.
So he mash down she.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
She get the mash down.
Yeah.
You know? Because remember saying I say, if him friend him shall find out say him woman a keep man with him, I laughing stock thing that.
All of that too. All of
I
that
laughing
too. All
stock
of
thing
that
that. So him up, you know, so him a go mash down
But
she.
Mary, why is this thing so common? Why is it that you can find all these strong, independent women out there and self-sufficient in many ways too, and them in it too? Because it's like an identity thing. It's like if you can't do it, you're not a real woman in a certain circle.
Yeah, because I don't know, because people might have the misconception and things say, I just get a thing alone. Enough time in a year them say, wife I go beat up girl for them man.
Yeah.
You know, enough time wife star enough show. Wife star enough show enough time. enough show upon girl enough time. You understand me?
And you know, sometimes all the woman them no want to do it, you know, but you will hear people say, see her there, I saw her take her man and she can't do nothing about it. And then, you know?
I used to the phone thing to Raga.
Yeah.
Gang up on phone and trace too.
Oh, for real?
Yes, like if I have a three-way and them thing there.
Uh-huh.
It's a common thing, man. Hook up and trace girl for your man.
Yeah, well, that's true. Like,
Yes.
you know what I know, and this is carelessness too, you know. Like them get them friend for call you, the man, or call
Yes.
the girl and whatever, and I be a warp on the phone,
Yes.
and when me go do your monkey lotion for you,
Oh,
and all them things.
as for that, I said a girl will just get a pan for women or whatever, and them just do that straight, and them say them season it. Yeah,
Wait, them season the acid?
No, I'm not talking that city, no.
What?
The feces.
Oh, yes.
Them say them seize that.
Yes.
So it's when them seize that and them make that sit and ferment.
Yeah.
And them dab up a girl.
And if they spread it out
talk about even the wicked acid because that's terrible.
And if
but when them dab you with that.
And if it's spread in the community, so you get it, it's like
Lord.
your ratings just drop
You
this
have to
up.
move out of the community.
Yeah.
You have to move out of the community. Once you get that.
You see it.
Once you get seized.
So you don't have any instances where you see woman, where you don't have any memorable instance where you
No,
see
because
woman beat other
for a
woman?
long time still,
Eh?
but I know say that go on because,
Okay.
recent, that go on enough time where, you hear some little girl, the mattress say, girl there with them man and, and whatnot and, I mean, more time when I got the fight and say, them strip all naked like, them bird suit alone,
You see it?
Yeah, I said, and fight, I got put on. And trust and believe, when them a fight, and them alone a fight, because them have them gang a friend too. We are going to the fight, and all of them are going to gang up, and them are going to beat a girl, beat down a girl, because she take my friend, man. Sometimes all the girl not say nothing, Raga, and them pass and say, all woman a pass and throw a word upon them,
Yeah.
Throw a word upon them, yes. Sure what for them. I hear them talk about, I need this and I need that, and them now left this, and them out going.
And I rinse Ragashanti.
Them do that certain action and a certain
them rinse
like a drum.
Well, them rinse Ragashanti. Accident, get out the way.
Yeah, and Raga, I said them a trace. Them other beat a certain part of the one that to me like a drum.
For real.
And them now left this.
Good as. This are the most comeback.
See.
This are the most comeback.
Yes, must come back. See, the glamity this. See.
Why? I tell you, it's like, it's embodied poetry. When you... It's poetry in motion when you see
it. Yes. Yeah, I tell you, man, I wish me have, you know what, I need to get a camera because anytime that I go, you see a Friday thing where you play, one of them things, no, they can't play, Jamaica thing too nasty.
Yeah,
you have to go bleep, so you're not going to get it, not going to be.
You're not going to get the essence side. All right, but, Edgar.
When I tell you, say, but that's the same thing, man beat, but them not beat the man. Them beat the woman.
You see it?
Them beat the woman because them can't afford for lose face, So them mash down the woman and also say, you diss me.
No, but there is still more fight over man than fight over woman.
No, you see, women, we more verbal and we more out there and stuff like that. And it's perfectly natural in all the other things go for the woman fight. You understand me? But the man have to hold him ground.
Well, it's not perfectly natural,
No,
there's some cultural reasons for it.
It's more acceptable.
Right.
But people now go look upon you as nothing because you are defending your territory.
Right.
You are defending your man because are you a wash, cook and clean? Are you a this? Oh, and don't talk about the money thing, Rather when them talk about some breed and money, when them get from man.
Yeah, and the woman will tell you that is one of the reasons why them not ram for beat a girl because she don't want she come get her money.
Them can't afford for them things, Sean.
You see it. All right, Edgar.
Yes, all right.
Bless up. I can read a quick email before break. Raga top of the morning to you. Your show bolt up like that one. Raga, some nowadays artificial girl want come take my man. Some more time I have to show them who are the natural girl around here. I want to pick up my son. That one the bad. Can you read it again? Some nowadays artificial girl want come take my man. Some more time, me have to show them who are the natural girl around here. And she continues, I want to big up my son. From K in St. Mary, Port Maria. K in St. Mary in Port Maria over there. Enough respect. See, we're going to break. We'll soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly Ragashanti. Get a look at thing and say happy birthday to Maxine from G-Tech on Bell Road. Belated happy birthday. Her birthday was on Friday. Coming from the staff of G-Tech. And our issue of the week is, I can rephrase it in a little way now. Why is it that many women believe that some women deserve to get a beating fair fast with them man? Why is it that many women believe that what are the reasons why many women believe that some women deserve to get a beating fair fast with them man? Quick email. I rather big up yourself because you're large. And me not think, okay, she talk about the little drama we go on last week. Then I give it to that woman there. But the lady, I don't think the lady meant to attack me, like to put me down. But people must have ignored several emails, Auntie, everything is everything, you know. Again, me telling them my skin thick. And I can't take certain heat. I take it for a long time. I know nothing. Not afraid of nobody. All right. But she said, big up my little sister, Sasha K. Grant, who attends Excelsior High School. It's her birthday today. If you big her up, you know how you do it. Big up Sasha K. Grant from Aggie, Excelsior, Aggie, a.k.a., you know, I call Excelsior Aggie. Okay. Raga, the Fifth Avenue crew say, 9 o'clock, we in a unrealized world. We not think about nothing. When 12 o'clock come, we gone back to reality. Start think about we rent, school fee, and thing. Big up my son, Damian, and all my co-workers, Camille, Sarika, Kerry, and our Badwood Parrot husband. Badwood Parrot husband. Mrs. Shakespeare, MJ, Brownman, Service, Jaffrey, and Mean Lati, Toddler, Tony. One more thing, Raga, we need all of the prank thing them. And Snake, where you run Friday, please, 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 please. Hi, Reggie. That the email say, you know. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ragashanti.
Good morning.
First time on your program.
All right, welcome to the family, darling.
I was trying to call last week to wish Miss Thelma happy birthday.
Yeah.
And I wanted to say that December and September people are the best.
Well, I'm not going to fight you on that. September.
Yeah, my little brother was born September the 6th, and he's a darling.
Wait, September the 6th?
Yes.
That particular, that's my birthday, right?
I think I know.
Yeah, man. Real things here, brother. Real things. So I got on.
And anyway, it's about the woman fighting over woman.
Yeah, why is it that some woman deserve to get a beating if they fast with the next woman, man?
First of all, any woman that fight another woman over a man are stupid.
They're stupid?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Because sometimes they're fighting over the man, and at the same time, the man don't check for them.
All right, let me ask you something now. Suppose you have your man, and a woman come to you and tell you point blank, she like your man, and she'll take him from you. Because you're an idiot, you don't know if you hold on for your man and whatever, she'll take him, and she up in your face and tell you that.
As long as we know me stay, she can go and go take him, because me know say him not go to her and so.
So you not go step to her back, you not go argue with her back.
No, me not go step to her. Me just tell her say go and go do her thing, because me know say me a number one.
Whoa, confidence. All right, I hear you. All right, the blessings here.
All right, big up to Anne-Marie, she listen to the show from next door, Katie, my Auntie Marvin, and big up everybody in the whole Harbor Bay.
A whole Harbor Bay I call from?
Yes.
All right, enough respect here.
All right.
Every time. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning, Raga.
Yeah.
This is Latoya from Gale, St. Mary.
Big up Gale, St. Mary, because I don't know what's near my little piece of bush there, you know.
Listen to me. I don't know why some woman deserve to get it, but I know the woman who take Ian deserve to get it.
The woman who take Ian are your man, no?
Yes.
And any woman who take Ian, you got dust them.
Me I got give it to them.
You ever know any woman who take your Ian?
Right now, no. I mean, I send the shout out to them.
You make them know.
Yes, them to stay far from my man. Him live right beside the post office at Amstead, St. Mary.
So you never hear in a local rumor yet like say I take a woman next woman or something like so?
No, really.
Talk the truth, man.
Me talk the truth.
You never hear nothing?
No.
So the minute you hear say and you know who, if something like so go, you are going to find that the woman and take it to her?
If me even for walk, go put my Raga.
You going to find her and give it to her?
Yes, me I go find her and give it to her.
Why?
Because he's mine.
But what if she don't even know how the thing set up between you and Ian? Tell him for lock off the radio. Tell him for lock off the radio.
That's not my business.
Hold on, baby. Tell him for lock off the radio in the background. Yeah?
Lock off the radio, Darby.
Yeah, tell him for lock it off. The feedback I kill with.
Eh.
Hold on, it's still not lock off yet. Are you move away from it? It's causing problems. Please, 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 quick. Quick.
Yeah, me move away.
Check. We still get the feedback. We are
I'm
getting
out
back.
of road. You can't get no feedback, I'm out of road.
No, but don't tell me where me I get. Me I tell you where me I get. I mean, in studio. But you're bright.
You still I get it, Raga?
Yes, we get it. The engineer them are frustrated about it. Yeah, mash up the program. Tell them to lock off the radio.
Who don't lock off the radio?
Right now. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so what you say now? You say you're not business.
You know business about her, Raga?
You're not business what him tell her.
No, I see to do our investigation.
So weird. So Frank, your uncle want know say she involved with him.
No, Raga. I'm know him a listen to you right now.
So even if him go lyrics and put arguments to her, you're not business with that. Your uncle want know. What she must know.
Raga, me not care about her.
What she
Raga,
go on talk, yeah.
Me not care about her, Raga. And she to do our investigation. Me not say she can't take my money, Raga, but she try to make me know.
So if a woman take your man now and you step to her, what you gonna do to her? What you gonna do to her?
Raga, me not ask her no question. My uncle want to say she that.
And then what you gonna do?
Me just gonna give it to her, Raga.
What? Box and kick her what? Or what?
Much box and kick. Me not in the talking thing, Raga.
Okay. Then somebody may say to you, say, darling, if you're secure in a relationship with Ian, what you gonna want her next woman like that for?
She still love my man, Raga.
But she don't know. She supposed to. Where you say, if you're not busy, if she don't know, you're gonna make her know.
Yeah. Raga, this is
Eh?
my family name, Amumzel.
Eh?
My family name, Amumzel. I want to tell you the August woman are the best. I want to tell the girl them out there say the January man them are the best lovers and them kind and them to come off for them because Ian born January.
Why you just rate up Ian so Ian proper, don't?
Yeah.
He might fix your business good, don't?
Yeah.
And he might take care of you.
I thought up there everything, Raga.
And he might mind you good, don't?
Everything, Raga.
So then you and Ian can sit down and hold out some deep reasoning and plan future and them something that too.
Raga, I have 1 minute.
Okay. All right, now watch nothing here. Respect your talk and big up to all Gail sent me massive here.
Yeah, I remember saying, you see me, a family member now.
Yeah, what your name? What your name, baby? What you want to call you?
Bobby, Sham, my cousin Colin, and Ian, I love you.
And what we call you now?
Mumzel.
Now watch nothing, Mumzel, call you and Ian still off. All right, take care, baby.
I don't want to big up Ian for me.
Big up Ian.
You hear me, Raga?
Yeah, man, them not just big him up. Big up Ian, the real man from Gail. Gail him come from?
No, Amstead.
Amstead, St. Mary.
Yes, and him work a put my down at the garage.
All right. All right, Mumzel. Mumzel a gangster. Yeah, man, top of the morning to you. Hello. All right, I can read our email. Hi, Raga, good morning. I would like to send happy belated birthday greetings to Charmaine Lindo of SIS. Her birthday was Sunday, the 9th of December. Greetings coming from Carlene, Vanessa, Dawn, Susan, and all the staff of SIS. We all love you and hope you enjoy your day to the fullest. Raga, I called Charmaine yesterday to wish her happy birthday, and I asked her how was her day so far, and she said, me tired. Go on, Charmaine, can you burn calories for your birthday? Woo. Here we go, top of the morning to you.
Yeah, morning, Raga. How you doing?
Morning, man. How old is?
Nobleman.
Nobleman. Where you say Nobleman? Should I recognize your voice?
Yeah, it's good while I'm going to talk to that.
All right, one papa. Where you say?
Yeah, before we forget, the January data. Oh, good morning, January. Good morning, Julian Gale. Happy belated birthday to you. It was last week Friday. Braga, you were so busy I couldn't get through to you at all. Miss Thelma, good morning. Happy belated birthday to you too, dear. Yeah. May you both have health and strength and enjoy life. Just have fun. All right? Braga, you know the topic you're on this morning.
Yeah.
Say when I'm about 19, I started like having two girls,
Yeah.
And one of the day, out of the blue, the two of them no buck up same place, man. And me think they have me there no beat, the two girls want to fight each other.
You think that the two women with it there?
That turn pan and beat
turn
up.
pan you.
Yeah, because
but before you know it, the two of them are fight one another.
Go fight each other. I have to jump in and say, no, man, that can't happen at all.
Yes. It's a wife and sweetheart, not for a fight, no?
So a long time these things has been going on.
Go on for a long time.
I'm 55 now, so think 19 to 55.
But you kind of get opening, you know. It get more
Big
open, you
time.
know. Cause people them attack woman, I walk up to other woman and just tell woman say they like them man and them war them for them man and all them something that them thing that go up on road.
Yeah,
You know?
me know. But I read the girl from the one who said you said she had confidence.
Yeah.
From Ulaba.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, big up she.
Yeah, man. Know what I mean? If she has confidence, go and go take him if you want, just because she knows, well, boy, as she run things.
No, but some woman will say, yeah, confidence there about man and them tempted, and sometimes you have to move the temptation out of your man. We are so some woman say no.
Yeah, but no, listen. I put myself in a position.
All right, well, on there. You have got to stay. We're going to just make them run the headline news and we'll come back.
All
You
right,
don't mind?
cool.
You don't mind?
Yeah, man.
All right, real quickly before them run the headline news, Raga, we're talking about the women them and how they would beat up other women for a man. But truthfully, I think we need to definitely speak to the fact that most times it is us as men who cause this to happen. By this I mean that we try to be tuggy tugs and the player, leading each woman to think that they are the one. Hence, they feel the need to defend what sometimes is merely a one-sided feeling on their part. You get me? Big up to Theo. International listen from the Washington, D.C. massive. Washington, D.C. my email from. Now watch, not the tier, we hear your link. News are going to run right and I will come back and we'll go to Nobleman and tell us so forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing. The real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all Massive and Crew. And the issue with that one. Why is it that some women believe that other women deserve to get a beating because they take them man? That kind of sounds circular. But anyway, and we are talking to Nobleman, you know. Yes?
Yeah, it's jealousy.
Jealousy.
Yeah, man. Big time. It's cruel as the grave, the book say.
And it has but you think it's just simply jealousy?
Wait, listen, man. Jealousy is a very dangerous thing. Have you ever been jealous of someone?
No, I know.
Yeah? So all kinds of evil things come to your mind. It's not anything good at all because it's a feeling that hurts you up.
Yeah. But do you know if this is going on? Have you ever heard or observed anything like this going on in a community where you...
No, not in my community, but I read about it from other communities, where it's end up in the courthouse and all that, meet wifey and them just battle it out right now downtown Montego Bay Street there.
Oh, you hear about that? Well,
all the time in the paper, man. Actually, when you were talking, I said I'd look up a couple of people, but, the stories always... It don't end in one paper.
So when you say over Montego Bay, there you have had regular instances where you hear a woman a beat matey or matey a beat wifey or two women a fight over man and beat up on them thing that go on.
Yeah, the last one that happened, the man didn't, he hired somebody to go and deal with the man because...
Hold on, how that go?
The last one that I heard about in the paper,
yeah,
it was a man, he married, and him have this girl on the side.
Yeah.
But the girl eventually say relationship over, but him know here said relationship over, and she was dealing with somebody else. And a gunman to go and kill the man. Eventually the girl got killed too. So eventually they find out it was him, and it's in the paper. Yeah. And eventually the other day, not too long ago, he was dropping off his daughter at school, and a gunman snuffed his life out too.
Well, on. So him married, right?
Mm-hmm.
And have a girl upon the side.
That's right.
And then the girl upon the side go tell him say the relationship done.
Yeah.
And him not ready for it done. So him hire gunman for go kill
the man
who the girl there with. The girl upon the side there with.
Yeah.
And then the girl upon the side now, she end up a dead too.
Yeah, she get killed too.
And then the man you know who they go hire do all of that and have him wife and thing. What day somebody shoot him too?
Yeah, go to school in the morning right in front of him.
Oh, him did a drop off, put them at school. That's and them shoot him, kill him too.
Mm-hmm.
So you see how that thing they set up though. Some payback that thing.
Yeah, well, the way the world are running now, Raga, so it's set up,
And you don't know it easy if you get somebody to kill somebody at
Jamaica
nowadays.
Yeah, money. The root of all evil that if you have love for it.
Well, I tell you. But you see all without the mix up, they go get and look how much people dead. Just because I mean, some people just bring it down to one thing, and say, so and so. But, you see how things can get complicated.
You have to be careful, see that to show, because, then so what goes around comes around.
All right, Papa.
Yeah, man, take care and bless up.
Every time, man. Right. Big up Wayne Brown who sent over the email. I watch not the Wayne, because you could have keep the email and frame it and put it up in your room, but you never do that. Wayne will say I laugh. But I can read him. Comment. When me feel, say, woman fight for them man because them no want to share the proper fix where them a get. And them money are short a month time, so them have to defend it. The show sell off, you hear what I'm saying? Them fight for them man because if them a get the proper fix on them man, them no want to share that, and them no want them money short. So there's an economic dimension there, and there's a dimension of sexuality there. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart.
Good morning, darling.
And how are you this morning?
Boy, I feel good tonight. No, I don't feel good. Flu a mash me up, but I push it, you see me?
No, make him mash you up, man. You mash up flu, man, because your voice sound healthy and nice.
All right, then I saw it set up.
Mr. Stewart, guess what happened? When me call the phone little while, I want nice voice me hearing, and good looking.
That is Reggie.
Lord of mercy, and his voice sounds so elegant. I love man with lovely voice, and he must look good too.
That's right. I only put woman a rush Reggie for him voice and him looks, man. Reggie hot boy, them want up him body bad.
His voice make the day.
Because Ruth is not here today. Ruth is their doctor. She have flu.
You sure? See, I know the red dress that tell her about.
All of that too. We don't know. Ruthie could have gin all way. Ruthie could have gin all way, yeah. Ruthie could have had an interesting weekend and make it back in a town, yeah.
Anyhow, first, good morning to all our lovely listeners and a special, happy, belated birthday to Miss Thelma.
Wonderful.
I love that woman with a passion. You know the reason why, Mr. Stewart?
Why?
She just have a lively vibes.
You see it?
During her sickness, she just have a lively vibes, and I love her so much dearly.
You see
dearly.
It? Okay.
Mr. Stewart, me hear your topic this morning. I want serious topic here upon, you know.
Why no?
Guess what happened? If you have, say you have a girlfriend, and that girlfriend you trust so much, and you share everything with that girlfriend, and if that girlfriend respect you any at all, even if the man who you're there with don't respect you, and that girlfriend respect you, you should not have your man then.
So if a woman have a girlfriend who she confide in and tell her all her problems and her business and things,
right,
then that the woman they know who you trust and tell all of your business, that woman they shouldn't come around and take that woman the man.
Exactly.
You know of a situation where that happen?
Me see it happen.
And so how it end up?
So be the case now, right?
Yeah.
People who end up in that situation, some will control themselves, but some can't control themselves. So some will expose themselves on the road.
So are you saying that you in some way you can understand how a woman can have her best friend who she confiding, and when she find out her best friend gonna take her man, that should have one beat her?
Exactly. It's not everybody can control themselves.
Right. No, that's to the art though. That's to the art.
So majority time when you find out those things go on, something like that. Or the one party may not know the other party, but each time the other party see one party, then trouble them to make them know, say, well, may have your money, and what about that, and what have you?
What is going on with that? I'm seeing more and more women who enjoy. You would know. You would think that most women when them do it, them hide and them thing. If them hear about it, them vex. One next woman dead and thing. But I'm noticing that it's not a significant percentage. But
that is not anymore.
Well, but me notice more and more women now them very open with it.
Exactly.
And them like for be bold with it and all. Go tell the woman say them take them man and all. I want to go on this.
All right, let me tell you what go on. You know. Nowadays, you have a few men. You have many men who wear pants, but a few men. Woman need man who is passion. Woman need man who is active in bedroom. Woman need man with love. So you have a few men stay that way.
Yeah.
So maybe the man see a nice little thing and he say, boy, I'm going to go for that thing there,
Yeah.
And from the moment he go make an agreement, and she see the type of man him be, she hook on and she no want to let go.
Okay.
And that is the thing. It works when you have a nice man, a handsome man, and thing like that. You have to prepare, say, well, you have to go through tribulation, and you have to know if you understand it. That is the reason why many married break up.
So what you say, if a woman have a good man, and she knows she have a good man, knowing how things out there in Jamaica, say she have to just make up her mind to go through tribulation and thing?
Well, you can't say, boy, me have my man and me go make sure say I have another woman. You can't stop it. Because you don't know when and where it happen.
Worse like a woman just a look man hard nowadays too, don't it?
Mr. Stewart.
But why it have to reach a point where if a woman have a good man, why it have to reach a point where she have to make up her mind for say, here, right, he's a good man, this, I know enough woman I want him. So I just make up my mind for go fight them off. Why?
Because you have plenty man, they only wear clothes, Mr. Stewart, but they're not active.
What you mean them
some
not active?
Some of them not have no otic. So you find the man who have the otic and active, and them are the man have 6, 4, 7 women because they have what it takes to use them.
I know, we just understand you.
You have plenty man out there, Mr.
Well, you said enough man out there just up in a man clothes, but them can't perform.
Them can't perform.
And them not have, what you call it, otic?
They don't have a otic. So plenty of the women and looking at man with a good otic.
You talk otic with dig hole. You talk the tool with dig hole, though.
Exactly.
And when you say, if I have a man out there who can work and do the thing properly, you say, woman, I got draft him.
Of course.
You can't get her from that, no.
Exactly.
If them know I saw him stay, them are draft him because them want the thing.
And worse, if them friend go out to the man, them going to say, boy, what have you? Even them friend when them talk to go want to know, say, boy, me go see if he can make the yamil good or me go make it flat. So if he can make the yamil good, them are going in a problem.
Whoa. So wait, then based on what you said then, a woman, if she get it good from her man, she have to be careful what she tell her friend them then.
Exactly. Mr. Stewart, you see him married?
Well, don't move. I'm coming back to you, here.
Yes.
I'm coming back. So come. Don't move. I'll come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti, and with the issue of the week where we're upon is, why is it that some women believe that other women deserve a beating if they take them man? All right, and with the Carla.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, you know, say what time here one woman tell her daughter say, she a wanna, well, something they got on, but she tell her say a fear fall. Why she have them problem because she always tell her friend them too much of her business.
Yes,
so, but the daughter in turn I said, but I'm a friend them, I trust them, and the mother said, no. People funny, even your best friend will get jealous and all them something there and quietly we all do some little thing for sabotage the relationship or want to take your man and them something there, and then before you know you and them end up in an argument over the man.
Mr. Stewart, some rich man, you know,
have
their woman and then give their woman everything.
Yeah.
And guess what happen now? Their woman share one another plate one side.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So if the man even not give him the woman the money, she still go out there, go looky, and some of the women, they are greedy like how just a man feels so they fi go out there.
But some of the wickedest gunman them out there, them women are born them and
some
them.
Some of the women, they are greedy because the reason why they're greedy, they start too early.
What you mean start early?
They start to have sex too early.
What does that have to do with greedy?
Listen, they start to have sex too early and depends on the different size they use. So if they even have a nice little man at home, they still want enough.
What you mean? The different size?
Exactly. Mr. Stewart, listen to me. May I tell you a serious
No,
thing?
hold on. Why you read? But could talk in I quarter. You say when them start early, what you said, because them start early, things set up a way when they want different size later.
Right. Me stand up, you know.
Well, are you saying when they start early, things end up such a way where certain little thing can't please them no more, so they want a different size?
Because when them start early, them pick and refuse. So now that they get a nice husband, if second down and if alright, then they sell.
Yeah.
Then still feel say, boy, that still can't work.
No, but some people would say no. But the convert, the opposite of that is that you have some woman, because them start early and been there, done that, and them know all of the excitement, them will reach a point where them ready for settle down.
Mr. Stewart.
Because them already know what out there.
Some of them now have no settle down.
Well, that is true.
Right now, me know a lady, she's over our 60, almost 70-year-old.
And she still wild?
And she have somebody who very young. And she look for me and tell me, say, she go a doctor hall to find out what is going on because she are well fed and she are well strong and she well healthy coming like she's 18. So woman like her that now, if she have a man with that age now, and the man stick them a rotten off and can't get fi make the yam hill big. Problem I go do the same way.
So you say if him stick them a rotten off and can't make the yam hill big.
Exactly. Because no vein no did it, the vein then are no muscle.
The vein them not no muscle.
Right.
Pull
So it go both ways. And in every relationship, a man must know what they want and a woman must know if she decide to settle down and relax.
I hear you. Why root the day or something have a tambourine. But anyway, why you always full of vibes when you are raised, you know?
And another thing again.
Yeah.
Where the whole time people used to take strain tea, the coconut chunk one something they pan it. We thin, then wash it and fan it off and use the strain tea.
Oh.
And we have 3 lamp, kitchen bitch, home sweet, home, and buckle torch.
Right.
Buckle torch now, when them boy go catch a river fish, then wrap piece of cloth around the mouth, tight.
And them a catch crab too.
All right, and throw the Eileen eye. All right,
here, Putus. Yeah, man, you take care. And she full of, she said, if they take them a rotten and make the yamil big, you know, no man never. Okay, quick email. I would like to send 18-year-old birthday greetings to my friend Tiffany in Geisel in St. Catherine, and also to my mom over in Middlesex, and to Trevor and all of this is coming from Shanna K, a.k.a. Rosie. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Morning.
Oh,
I'm Bix with you, and I don't know how to Bix with you.
How old is Jojo? What's that, girl?
When time I stop by the people there phone, you know it go hard.
Osh, man, osh.
But me I'm going to call you this morning to tell you, say,
yeah.
Any me meet one man, and he near Ian, me run. Me say, I would have teared up the place with the road. I don't want to know where it come from.
What you say? Any woman meet a Ian from Amstead that sent me and I say, I don't want you, cause but is it that what the woman want though, for you to hear the man name and afraid?
Me don't know, but me afraid.
But you genuinely afraid?
Oh, you mean? Me could have even look upon him after she said what she said this morning.
But you see, some woman are that them want woman to hear them man name and see them man and afraid of them man.
But that she say.
You see it?
But
so and she sound serious to you,
no? You mean?
Mumsel.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
I want him me know though. If me meet one man and in here Raga, me want him.
You want? All right. You see it.
We'll have a talk with him. But Ian, God.
Give Raga some chat, but love Ian.
You know I know Ian, no matter when come from, I like me saying come from Mobile, me don't want it. Next thing I don't do
Ian, he said Russia come from, he said no, me not nothing with no Ian right I don't know. As I can't manage Ian woman.
The next thing I lie my tell, and I him same one.
You see it?
Just in case I him same one.
You see it?
You know, as if he are only middle name my Ian, me no want him.
You know why not them the preque?
No, sir. Anyway, me got off my people there for.
All right, I will know it go up on the work when your teeth for call, you know?
All right.
Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello,
good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Raga, old topic of the woman beat up thing.
Yeah.
Me definitely down for that.
You definitely what?
Me down for that, man.
You down for it?
Yes, man.
What you mean? Like what you said, like sometime a woman forget a beating?
No, man. Them beating too sweet for justify that, right? So, for instance, my man there, right?
Yeah.
Me know the ratio the 10 to 1 thing. Me no mind a girl come get a little one piece and go on her ways.
Okay. You don't mind a girl get a little one piece of your man and Lego?
Mind it. But when no more come go on like say they want to come live in panic now.
Come take up residence?
No, sir. Me and him not appearing panic.
You see it?
Beat the tough fight, my Raga.
So then tell me something. Okay. So those are the conditions under which you say you would take it to a girl for your man, don't it?
I look at it then. It's like a partner draw thing, right?
Yeah.
Then go and get the money and ray. When them draw come, them take a 1 and go on.
Yeah.
But when they want a 2 and a 3, and if I get too far, my Raga, them forget leak.
You see, then you know have you ever been in a situation like that before?
All the time because my man look good.
Oh, your man look good, so
he
what?
Look good.
So woman draft him or him out there?
I pass, I go and dance with him and one thing go down. I see it and go and I see it Raga. But when time I see she try play the card too much time, I beat it.
Like say she don't even, like she as far as she
concerned, you not dead. Last night.
Yeah.
Right? Tonight a film night and she wanted tonight. Move fall and go there and beat her.
I find and beat her.
Beat her.
But why if you just sweet her and she wanted?
No,
But why if I not fear her?
I no land this.
Then tell me something. Then you're not afraid.
Come Bill. Take it and go on.
Then tell me something, I know. Then you're not afraid.
Afraid of what?
You're not afraid of a woman?
No.
Can you have some woman who do it and can defend it, you know?
No. You see between she,
my
brother and my uncle, them Smith and West, which one are we bother?
Okay.
My brother and a Raga.
I hear you, baby. But what may I say? I saw the thing set up out there right, I know, like some woman do ever. I want to hear from you. Is it that some woman who knows say yeah, a man there with so and so, but them not respond, them just a step in, don't it? Yeah?
How that go?
No, what may I say? So you are your man there, right?
Yeah.
You have woman out there who knows say you there with him and them don't even respond, them just a come at him same way?
Yeah.
You have them woman there?
You have work for them, but
and how you deal with them woman there now?
How I deal with them?
Yeah.
I go and pray them, I watch them.
Yeah? And then?
But when time I get enough of them, I beat them.
You beat them? So you can defend it?
Defend myself, of course.
But is that a reality out there for woman now? Once you have a good man, you have to be prepared for no say you have to go fight off couple woman for your man.
I like when you know say you have your business place, you have enough competitors out there.
Yeah.
You have to go out and get your skill for no say you master it.
Okay.
So you know, 1 and 2 times I want to go out there to experience something different.
Okay. See it?
If you're not willing to do it, just go on, do your thing. But remember, say you have to come back as a commercial head tonight.
I have to know the address.
Right.
You know when I sleep at night time.
Right.
And
you see, me believe in the further education, you know. So, you know, I look at new style coming, you go learn it.
Okay. What you mean? You go learn it?
Yes, man.
For please him?
Yes.
Okay, so.
No, to keep him.
To keep him. So, okay, me see what I deal.
Basically, when time start to get to, like, the color we have before this, so after a while, if him... The stick that I go on to, right?
Yeah.
You move him up.
You let him go?
Yeah, man.
So
we can find a better stick out there.
Okay, so if you have a man and him not perform, him not deal with the thing properly and thing, you gonna just left him?
No. If he's not willing to learn a new trick, a new style, what you say hold him back for?
Oh, what you really I say? Him for do something where enough man them say them no want to do?
Raga, I'm going to tell you something straight up, right? Enough man here dance and lick out a top bar, roof fire for that man who do this and ray.
Yeah.
You check on the sheet there, and them said when I do it, and if you do it better.
And do it better. Pum, pum.
And when them ready, you hear them, baby, you're the first, I do this, you know. And Raga, them angry like a pro.
So what you say? Hey, we hear this all the while. Look, when I do my research out there at Dancehall, we hear this all the while from the woman. I tell you frankly, what time them pinch, I tell you a couple DJ near me, a couple bad man or whatever.
Raga,
them good like that.
Shatter.
Some top shatter.
Raga, when them boy they pull them clip, you know, and when they reach them, but
careful,
right
careful. Yeah.
Raga, remember me tell them, man, a ring guitar player them there. I say, your Jamaica jazz and blues imply some of them bad.
Pull up, I think. So you say, so nowadays, you as a woman, I say, well, I don't move, I will break, I come right back here.
No problem.
All right.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. And the issue with the pan is that, you know, why is it that, me phrase this again, Is it the case that some woman deserve to get a beating fair fast with other woman, man? Okay, I'm there with a caller now. So yes, caller, so you say if you're there with a man now and him not willing to realize the times change and him need to kind of expand his activities, you know, in a certain, you know, with the sheets and so forth, and do some different things and spice it up. You say you're gonna let him go.
Yeah, mama,
you're
gonna get sick and tired and I'm chicken every day.
Yeah.
You go a little beef, a little pork, a little fish.
Yeah.
A lot of fish.
Yeah. A lot of fish.
Yeah,
a lot of fish.
Man to eat up a fish.
Man to eat well. Whoa, that man I said I like fish. Man I said fish good for them. So you say man to eat a whole heap of fish.
A whole heap of fish.
Man to eat fish, right?
But no doctor fish around.
No doctor fish around. My belly. Alright, so you say from them expand them way there, once them prop up the thing them way there, you go hold up, you know, if him not move, you go let him go.
Right, but Raga, every day here people I say you know too old to learn new tricks, new things, you understand?
Yeah.
Further your skill.
Yeah.
You say you're master, you're done in the bed and ray. Dan Marati if you can't get a thing right.
But suppose a man them say no, but abomination and nastiness and crosses gonna bring down power. I don't know watch too much blues, I don't know watch too much porn, I don't know too Americanized.
Watch colors.
No,
right?
suppose a man them say that to uno. Yeah.
It coming in the Bible, you know.
What coming in the Bible?
The whole oral thing then.
What?
Right?
Yeah, careful. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What coming in the Bible about that?
Adam and Eve, which apple you think Adam go eat?
What? Hold on there. No, man. The Christian people never listen to you, though. I never say, no, this is slackness.
Them say if you read between the lines.
So you were saying, when the Bible talk about the forbidden fruit. Oh,
the apple.
That's why eating the
so
forbidden fruit. So
what you think when a woman lose a virgin, they refer to as cherry?
Also, I saw.
Fruit,
but you're a philosopher. You're deep up in that thingy. So yes, I from them time, them thing I go on.
Yeah, man.
From foundation.
Long time.
But given that you said that then, but if him go eat the forbidden fruit and that make them sin, then there's something about then.
But them say sin sweet, you never notice?
No, but you can't celebrate sin.
Sex before marriage. I sin.
Okay.
Enough how we do it. Don't it, Raga?
Well, I strongly encourage everybody to do that.
Right, because me be a pastor man say
why you going buy pussy in a bag? Why you going buy pussy in a bag?
Complete.
Then next thing you know, you as a woman, you go in a relationship and a little bump you see and then you vex.
A little who?
Bump she go see and then she vex.
No, sir. Raga, that's how I love feel it out.
Well, but all right, you're a situation I know. Man married woman and woman, what name? A eunuch? A eunuch, you know what a eunuch is?
Whether I have nothing?
Well,
no sex organ.
Well,
like the
there's nothing there for going. Mm-hmm. Right. And you know, so the man wants a divorce and the church people, they might tell the man no.
No, let's stay with her so that she might serve some purpose.
No, but what may I say?
She have a next opening.
No.
So she can't talk?
She can't. All right.
Well, the things
well,
the woman can't talk. I'm mouth, don't it? Not keep her.
You kill me. Take time with me. Flew you mash me up. You take time with But anyway.
Not for airport route. Not
well, all right. What me I say still. But you know, church people, them not really fit them thing that.
Raga?
Right?
I said them something there.
Oh.
If me for talk some secret about the church door. Between the church door and the church gate.
You see it?
Them big in there. Them Catholic. Catholic? You get me?
Enough of them are
Catholic.
Oh, Catholic.
You may dress it up.
Where is enough of them are Catholic?
Mm-hmm.
Some of them are lick the cat.
Ooh.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't know. But back to it. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Anyway, what may I say still? But you are say if you have your good as man, your good man and think that you are gonna fight a next girl thing.
And I'm clear up something too. You see the call before talk about jealousy?
Yeah.
And a jealousy.
Some
girl I to disrespect.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. I like
what you mean by that? Break that down.
No, Raga, you teeth something because rightfully I don't fear man, you know, you teeth for one bite or fight. You understand?
Right. And then you go hype with it.
And you come hype up in. My term instead of lock you up, I'm gonna knock you out.
Okay, so if you there with your man now, and a girl a thief for one piece, and then I come bright up in and I talk up, I call up your name in a video light in a dance.
You understand?
And what she take and whatever, this and that. You are say out of principle, you're going to take it to her.
My God, should I even come tell me, say, boy, baby, your man anger my proper respect. Me not do it again. Just like that, but see with that. But Girl, I come walk up in your face and talk about, whoa, me have a man, rare, what am I doing, whatever. But I say, girl, listen me, stop pop star, because I guess half what I'm sure last night I teach him.
No, that Church Street, I hear one, I cuss the next one, and I tell her where the man I say, oh, it's sweeter than whatever, and I call up name and this and that. I be so fight broke down a Kemlani there, you see? Well, not really Church Street. Right? Barry Street and King Street. Yeah. But you know the NCB Bank cross, right on the road they go down. A piece of fight broke down there, so can then talk out the things them. Anyway, baby, enough respect here. And where you call from again? Which area you call from?
Hope Road. Hope Road.
Hope Road. No, man, I know Hope Road you call from. I can't Hope Road you call from an attack, so.
Why not?
Hope Road people not talk so.
No,
Hope Road people not gangster like you, baby. Unless out a standpipe.
No, not so far. Let me give the speaker spokey, okay?
Okay.
Now, we uptown girls.
Yeah.
We love a downtown man.
Oh, for real?
All of a downtown style.
You see it.
But guess what? If I get across the border, then I get it straight downtown Garrison way.
So you're a downtown man, you're not like no uptown man.
Them two spruce, yeah. Can't take the liquor. I have a pump thing. I love it rough.
You love it rough. You love it rugged. So you love that's how when mother to sing them song about say she want the so and so love. Them thing they matter about though.
I want it from my father. I write him have him as an uptown boy because film era called uptown.
Oh no, but a cassava piece still. I still get a thing. How you say that?
Cassava piece I want them like my man with meat pan him body.
Oh, you say my father too maga?
I don't want nothing with fire stick I rub with.
No, but careful, you know. Woman have something to talk about maga man, you know.
Then I bought the right big man head.
Okay. All right.
Maga boy can put my pan pin up like picture frame.
All right. Like picture frame. All right. Oh, you know, lift up thing too. All right. Then. So what we can call you on the radio?
Huh?
What we can call you on the radio?
They can come on the radio?
Yeah, what kind of radio name?
Mixup.
All right. Mixup from Hope Road. Go on, baby. Now watch nothing here, princess.
Bless up.
Enough respect, man, every time.
All right.
Quick email. Yo, Ragamuwa, you big up the JLB International Crew and my girl Shanice from Inner Arnett Garden Straight Jungle Thing. She will beat any girl anytime for me. 2 weeks now, I listen to your show and it gonna lead. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Yeah, next one. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Uh-huh.
Rago?
Yes.
How you doing?
Why am I there?
Second time on your hair.
Okay.
And I want to big up. I'm calling from Port Antonio.
Port Antonio. Big up, all right? Yeah, man.
Everybody at Port Antonio have a station lock.
All right.
Want your big up champ from Port Antonio having a birthday tomorrow.
You see it? All right.
Shabar, my nephew.
Okay.
Having his birthday on the 16th.
Uh-huh.
And on your topic now, Raga, you know that my belief, you see, I think all of this are jealousy, you know.
Jealousy?
Yeah, man, jealousy, Raga. Jealousy straight.
But sir, yeah, go on, talk. Go on.
Me can tell you of experience, Raga. And one particular experience. And Raga, me tell you, jealousy make me deal with it.
Tell what happened? Tell me.
What really happened?
Yeah.
All right. I'm a married person, Raga.
Yeah.
And you know how women stay already. Women fast, you know. When you want to live a man and give you a bone, Raga, you know, you go check, you go try to do everything. Raga, you know what me do, all of me shouldn't bother talk pan here, because I know if I listen. But me not think I listen still, because I gotta work. Raga, me make sure cut one key for steam vehicle. And me keep that key there, Raga, you know what me do? Me make sure anytime in bed I sleep at night time, I'll 2 o'clock me out in the vehicle I look, you know. Me search the vehicle, you know, Raga. And me see clue, you know, Raga, me try to get clue. And one particular incident I can remember. Me know say, all right, I want to make sure that me know say me not use no paper, no, wait a second, no plastic.
Yeah.
We not use plastic, Raga.
We don't use condom.
No,
yeah, your husband, we don't use condom.
Right.
No prophylactics, right.
So what really happened now? Me going in a vehicle, me see something in there. So me say backside this a clue then. So me
that big clue.
You know. Me just wait and me try to get all the evidence, Raga. And you see one day, me left and say, all right, me I got hairdresser. Raga, you saw me a pass in workplace, so me look me see in vehicle. Raga, so me see the vehicle over in workplace. Me say, wait, what did I say to the way, Maria? So me drive over. When me drive over, now woman and me sit down in the place, Raga, I look palm computer.
Ima woman
sitting at the place.
But what if they were doing some work?
Raga, whether work and me supposed to do it, another woman supposed to do it, I look on a computer and nothing. Me have computer, my yard. Why am I don't know with computer?
But you say I'm workplace and all them work.
But hold on, I workplace and it's not a regular work day. It's a Saturday and don't work on Saturdays.
But he must go back in for go do some extra work with him co-worker.
I really co-worker for you. Me agree with you. Anyway, me not take no chance and me not take no check.
So
It's when me look no Raga, him a the girl in there. Anyway, me then I say alright. Me I want to keep him be clear because the kid in my handbag. When me looking at the car, Mr. Bag of grocery on top of the car seat. Raga no grocery now come on me because we done buy grocery already. Who for the grocery pan?
Well, the big get hot.
Mr. Raga, me tell you man.
He get hot right. That's a known man. Grocery buy.
He must say, Mr. Raga the girl could come out. Mr. Raga when
wait, what happened now man? You jump the gun man and I skip out part. Come on man. What happened after you see the grocery? What happened after you see the bag of grocery?
I'm everything in the bag. Raga, me eat everything in the bag. Me take out everything in the bag. Me come about. It's not. And the girl, Mr. What am I do on the car seat? What am I do in your car? Raga, me am everything. Everything.
So what everything. So what happened now? So when you see him and the girl now, I look on computer. Like, how them they position? How them they look like?
The girl sit in her lap. Him sit and the girl sit in her lap, Raga. You know what? Nothing playing now. So you know that's something.
No. If two co-worker come in on Saturday and the woman is sitting in her man lap, it's something that...
Raga, me did done. You saw me stay. Me don't really take no one proof, nothing.
Yeah.
Me try to get all the clues them and then me put everything together.
You move like CSI. You have to build all the evidence.
Right. And so me do, Raga, you know me do. Me make sure get everything and me just pull up everything and me say yes. Me call in the phone, Raga. Me just go in and phone when him asleep, Raga. Into that sleep, Raga, me just go in and me just take number.
And what kind of number? You just take out what kind of number you take out?
Me take out all of the number them come. Me don't know which one.
Guy don't know which one.
Me don't know which one, Raga. Me take out every number.
So you just take out any strange number in there, you just write them down.
Every number where him call.
Then what you do with the number them now?
Me write them down, Raga. Me make clue. And Raga, when me done, you know what you do?
But this is a massive investigation that you're conducting.
Raga, you see me? You don't run no risk with you, Raga.
No run no risk with you.
Run no risk, Raga, because you don't know when me a strike.
Because
you don't know when me a strike.
Because you must find out. Because you're an investigator.
Right. You say when he in bed asleep, Raga, when he did, you know, me I put two pillar.
What you do what?
Put two pillar, me just take time and sleep out of the bed and just open door and go in and decline and just put two pillar. When he roll, he just rock pan the pillar and think of me.
Yeah.
That time me out of door in the vehicle.
I search the vehicle.
Yeah, man.
I look for clue. I build evidence.
I saw me the
CSI.
Yeah, man.
That's right.
So when me do know all of these things, Raga, me try to build evidence. And it's when me get it now, and that's when me start.
So what you do with this woman I know who you see with your husband I know? You take it to her?
Raga, Mr. When I hold and when I take a piece of stick, Mr. Raga, he must come out and he hungry police and do no liquor, no trouble, and me wrong. Raga, him can't, he stop in front of me and tell me say him wrong.
Okay.
Because he knows so me don't kill the girl, you know.
You don't go give her a couple of the stick, well.
Raga, me don't give her a couple of the stick, me don't kill her, Raga. Me don't kill her, you know. I kill her.
You say you never don't give her a couple of stick, you don't go kill her.
Me don't kill her, Raga.
But what I'm saying, hold on, but why would you go prison, go kill this woman and know when she know, she knows I'm married, don't it?
Him knows that him married and him know him whereabouts and him knows that me work out of the area. She know. So she shouldn't just jump in a thing like she don't know says I'm married man. When the man come on to him, but if you see when me look on to, when me think over everything, you know, me just say, you know what? Me should have to blame married because she, you know, I him go look the girl still, you know. Because, you know, say just one man come on to you and the man have money and the man have liquor things. You know, so you go hold on for the man.
But what you were saying before is the fact that she know that he's a married man. It means that she knows that she had to take the resources from her wife.
Right. That's why me never want two chop la, but Raga, what really happened is jealousy make me act that way there.
Jealousy?
Jealousy make me act that way there, Raga.
So you know what? As long as you jealous over your husband with any other woman, you're quite liable for beat her.
Me quite like to beat them, Raga.
Okay.
Tell you the truth. And Raga, me tell you, it's one other experience that me long after.
Well, I'm going to a quick break. I tell you about the other experience. Yeah? All right, don't move. I'll come right back. Pepper, you know.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Jerry Washbelly Ragashanti. Back to a caller. Yes, you say you tell about our next thing.
Yes, Raga. What I was saying now is that a woman have to be very smart.
Yeah.
You say if you're not smart, Raga, me tell you to all things and times there. Any man you take, you lose them. You have to be very smart.
Oh, you mean? Oh, why? Yeah, why? Explain that.
All right. What I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
My husband, he having phone. You have to try to monitor everything. You have to look. You have to be vigilant. Let me give you some. Give me some more. All right. You have to be vigilant. You have to be observant.
Right.
You have to do all of these things.
You have to be continuously alert.
Yes, man. You have to be on your alert, Raga.
Right.
You have to know and you have to look into things.
Because if you're not like that, what will happen?
Raga, if you not do them something that me tell you to all them a young girl stay nowadays, Raga. Me tell you sometimes if they even see the man and the man half of them are right, Raga. Them are roping and them are going and them are do this and them are fling themselves for the man. And me not go allow that. Me as a wife not go allow that.
You not go allow that.
No, Raga.
You not go allow no little young girl for come take your husband from you. Not happen to you.
No, Raga.
And you gotta do anything you need to keep your man.
Raga, me know so me can't deal with the man when the man come home.
Yeah.
But me now get the chance to deal with the woman again. So the first chance me get me a deal with the woman.
You give it to her.
Give it to the woman, Raga. Me nah tell you. Raga, me nah hide it, Raga. Me a give. Raga. You see this, the girl when me I tell about? You know, see the girl left and gone a man, and the girl come back up the side here.
She left and gone a man, and do what? Hold on. Left and gone a man, and do what?
The girl don't a man,
yeah.
She can't come back in the area.
In a Port Antonio.
Me tell her, say, any day me catch her, Raga, me tell her, say, me a stripper.
You a stripper?
Raga, me a take off the skin off. Raga, me a skin her like goat. Me find that the girl go down, the girl come back up, Raga. And me make sure me tell her.
And you make she leave?
And me make she leave.
And thing, because you don't want her to take your man.
Raga, me say me a tell her, Raga, me say second that, Raga, me a tell her, me say the man afraid of me like puss, Raga. You see, sometimes you see him sitting and him hides me. Me tell her one different experience. Him having phone, right? Me notice every number. You have to be observant. Me notice every number in the phone. He put people name and how he spell them and whatever. This particular name now, me see him put Mr. You as a man, you have your man friend. You got put Mr. Nico.
Mr. Nico?
Mr. Nico, he put in the phone.
But
Raga,
what if it's somebody respect, like a respectable baby?
Raga, let me tell you, I am very observant, and what I do, I look on clues. Me say every name in the phone have the name, like it I put Patrick, that. Him put beside the name, Mr. Nico.
Oh, what you're saying is that him have a pattern of the way him put in name, but the one you show a little deviation from the pattern.
Raga.
The one you look different.
So, him not know some you go really look into these things. Raga, these things me fooling about, you don't know what. Although him have more qualification academically more than me.
You are CSI.
Me very, very smart.
Very smart. Me can't tell that right.
Yeah, man, me see the Mr. Nico. Me say, hold on. That's when they can't Mr. Nico, you know. Me take on the number. You know, so in the initial stage that he have. But you see, when you work long, the girl named Nicole. The girl named Nicole, and you put in
Mr. Nico.
For me things, man, Raga.
And you find out it's Nicole.
I hold the number, man. I hold the number. I call the number, me get the girl. Anyway, after me did them, you know. Me not really identify myself or anything, but me kind of follow you up.
Yeah.
Me kind of look on the area, me see one other number, go with it. When me look on the area, me realize that area, a Trinidad area.
Okay. But we at the Port Antonio, no?
Yeah, man, but Raga,
but you sound like your husband a travel, man.
No, man, the work when do.
It's nationwide. Oh, in travel, in our work.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
It's a work where you have to move, you know, swift.
All right.
Move very swift.
Right.
To store in the area.
Well, obviously, yeah.
So, when me look on it, Raga, me did and me say, all right, the area, Trinidad area. Raga, me notice all every weekend when me come, when me there home. Me I go down a mobile, me go down to my brother. Me know what? Me no go on nowhere. Me just hold it. Raga, you see when I draw down card for the man, me just work made one day and tell him, me say to him, what you do at Trinidad? People too fast. Which at this me a Trinidad. Me say everybody see a Trinidad. The time Raga, nobody no see my Trinidad.
I can't you drop on him.
I can't me drop on him. Raga is when everything work out, Raga. Me say, I told me never catch a girl eh. Me say, Raga, when I done and I call the girl on the phone, see, and me say, listen to me. Don't make me say nobody for you. Don't make me say nobody for you. Can me have your way about me, have everything about you. Don't make me say, Raga, you see by the time me look, everything just cut off.
The weekend chick then to man take a beer done a brother cut off.
Man, every weekend the man just up in a white suit like him a go play cricket. Every weekend. sneakers, white pants, white shirt and chain. Me say, no man, oh, I'm going to look for brother, but me did not.
Look, wait, I'm going to look for him brother and trash and bossy. He put on expensive cologne too?
Yes,
Raga. Where you nasty?
And then when me look now, me tell us, me try get clue, you know, Raga. When me go in the car and me looking at the chunk, me lift up underneath the spare tire. So when me look at the spare tire, Raga.
Wait, what you do under this? What you do under the spare tire? What you doing under the spare tire?
I want the woman, them want them to be vigilant, I want them to be observant, I want them to be very smart. So me put it out there where they can't hear it.
Hack up the things them lady.
Yeah, man.
So what you find under the spare tire now?
Raga, you see the spare tire there? You see when you're looking at the little something, because you know, so the carpeting over it, you know. You see when me lift up that Raga, is a little bag, me see, you know. When me look in there, too brief. Raga, tell me now, when you brief, you're in that bag, Raga. You are a man now, what too brief? And you're a married man. What too brief at in a bag and a
what too brief at doing a bag and a spare tire in your car?
I take out the too brief.
What is a scandal bag?
It's a scandal bag. You put them in a kind of one and dirty. You put them in a scandal bag and tie them up. So in other words, no, you would know say brief in the bag there. So in you know,
then what you do with the brief then now?
Raga, let me tell you. So we do. I take out the two briefs and every brief in the house, me take them out, Raga. Every one of them, the man when he go work, he have to grab, in put on his sauce of pants and go work.
You wait, he go work boy back?
He go work boy back, Raga. Me say boy back, Raga, I take out every single brief. None less, Raga. When he look, me don't know, he like he go work and he must go buy two and he go put them on in the bathroom. But Raga, I take out every strike, Raga, every one of them, I take them out. I say, listen, let me tell you something. If you brief them, I keep a yard, they're supposed to stay a yard. And if they keep elsewhere, make them stay elsewhere.
But you say him travel, don't you say him travel?
Raga, the work don't entail him to travel. It's a work that him work. I don't want to tell you the company, but the work he's supposed to come home every day. He works in Portland, St. Mary and St. Anne.
So him not a reason for a change brief for road. Okay, and him don't have a urine. To the best I hear not, him don't have a urine problem or anything like.
Which urine problem, Raga? Raga, if you have urine problem, tell me about it. Me don't know when.
No, me just ask.
When he out on the road, he want passing urine after when he die, he not pass it after.
Okay, all right, we just
no check. Urine problem.
We just said there probably some other reasons why he had extra underwear.
Look here, you say if you have the brief, you put them in the car, no hide them in a scandal bag in this boy spare tire keep.
And they done a spare tire,
And we don't know this Raga, man. Them they are clue, Raga. Clue them there.
Remember me tell you that you're bad like yours.
Raga, let me tell you, Raga, he can't draw no card for me, Raga. Raga, he's afraid of me like puss. He's afraid of me like puss, Raga. He's not going to do anything, Raga. He must look at him at the thing. Me come weekend, and you know me do? When me come weekend, me know say me not really see. Me know in Alice still enough. Me know say no, there no Ochi still enough. But me come in and hear me. You got Ochi this weekend? So him, you know, answer. So me say, somebody see a Ochi. Where Ochi go do? People too fast, Raga. Me don't get close, card me draw.
A card you draw?
Yeah, but him go Ochi, but when he go do some business down there.
Yeah.
But at the same time, him no, me just use me head and me just say, you know what? But it's a proof me say make I know saying go Ochi, but him no know say cause me come in, me come in so swift. Cause him go Ochi Friday, me come in so swift. And me make you look past certain things, and when me catch certain things, him, you know, he must have said no man.
But well I know. So basically we have to go look at the married. Basically I say woman must vigilant. Woman must alert.
We are on the alert.
And if you have to make a cut a key, extra key for your husband can't find, and search you can look for clue.
Raga.
And thing. And if you find out say your husband really involved with an ex-woman, where you are said they must be prepared to take it to that the woman there.
To the woman, Raga, because you don't want to go lick. You know, as the girl says, if it is a one shot, it is different. But if somebody was just a rope in, Raga,
and no, coming like I want to take up residence.
Yeah, man,
like a she a wife and a you a wife, don't you? I'm just if I understand herself.
Yeah, man.
All right, baby, you take care of it. Well, and wait, what we call you again? What we can call you again?
Oh my God, what everybody are going to know? Call me Foot.
We call you Foot from Port Antonio. All right, Footy from Port Antonio. You take care of your Foot.
We got Sean from Porty.
Every time. Oh, me tell you say you sell up. All right. A week, that's about a week.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing. That right there, Reggie? Welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. And the issue of the week this week, is it the case that some woman deserve to get a beating for a fool on another woman man? Alright, is it the case that some woman deserve to get a beating for a fool on another woman man? Read a quick email. Raga, I want the commissioner of police to get rid of Mark Shields and hire that lady, the real investigator. Cause she like, hey, that should have easy, you know. Call her Footy from Port Antonio. She said she cut her key for her husband car key, and when husband asleep, she go search the car and she look for clues. And she said she don't pay attention to a 1 clue or 2 clue. She build her evidence, you ready? She have to build her evidence till when she ready for move. And when she move, she move like a real detective, you know. Because she have techniques for questioning and interrogating. Because she will draw a card, you know, and check phone and notice the pattern on which that in putting the numbers in the phone and any deviation from that pattern. As in Mr. Nico, who turned out to be Nicole from over the Trelawney. She mad up the thing in the morning there. Whoa, for real. Okay, quick email again before we go back to the phone line. Raga, hey, this is from our good friend Lenford Salmon, okay, from Jambi's crew out there. People who produce love games to play and all kind of top quality Jamaican players. Raga, hey, you need to tell the woman gangster them, like the gangster from Gail St. Mary. So when them beat up the matey them and end up a workhouse, Ian and the matey are go out a road and enjoy life while she are go in a confinement. If them sorry for her, they may carry some rice and peas for her a Sunday daytime out of Fort Augusta. Would it be worth it? Tell him to think about it carefully. Tell them to think about it carefully. That's a good point, you know. That's a good point. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Ragashanti.
Greetings.
Blessed love, my brother.
My respect, sir.
Give thanks again for life.
Yes, sir.
The sister who just called recently there.
Oh, this Rascover!
Aye.
What's up?
Aye.
Yeah.
The email that says she need to get rid of Mark Shield in her and put her in place.
Uh-huh.
I would agree to that in part. However, Mark Shield are working at the Ministry of Security.
Uh-huh.
She will do well as a Minister of Insecurity. But that is definitely what is happening to her.
You think that it's a profound case of insecurity?
Yeah, definitely.
No, but she would say to you that it is not insecurity. It's rather that the climate out there and the reality in the Jamaican setting is that if you have something good, and another caller say it, you know, I'm just a play devil's advocate. For them argument is, it make no sense. You have something good and don't do what you need to do for protect it. If you have a store and Rascava and you hear a hurricane a come, and you know say people just want to see hurricane come for go broke your store in now. They go defend your store, you know.
And a good store.
What?
Not a good store.
No, man, they go defend your store.
If you have a store that you hear say one storm I come and you can't sleep on your bed and say, my store is secure, man. No guy can tear that down. And a good store that. I want to come bitch up place they have.
All right.
If you have a man, and you see the part where she said that the man sitting at the man lap.
The what?
When he said the woman was sitting at the man lap.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that don't hold me. If that was the case, she wouldn't left that out and wait and you have to drag it out of her. That would have been the difference between the man and the woman watching computer and the man and the woman watching computer.
No. I could see where, because remember, she talk fast too, you know.
No, man, that would be the high point.
So what you have said, nothing no go so?
That would be the point that make her feel and believe, say, yes, now go on, make you sit down over that the part and now that the chair. What make kind of your lap?
Well, you have a point there, but what I'm saying is, sometimes when you tell back a story, you know, sometimes you leave out a little part or support and thing like
when
that.
When you tell back a story, the point that make you tell back the story, you know, left you out. And that would have been the point. That
so what you say? Woman are sitting on a lap on Saturday when on a regular work. That is so significant that me should not have draw that out her. She should have just tell it.
Of course.
Okay.
But I am saying that again, to see the grocery in the car, the woman come from market and the man promised to go up on the internet and download some things to her. And they were there doing that. That don't necessarily mean that they're having a relationship. And if that is not the case, then the man should have get beaten too, not just the woman. Because the woman didn't own that office. The man is the one who took her there. So what happened to the man? What happened to the
All you know is the man take her there to the office. All you know that.
Say woman, I know a woman office them in there. At the man's office.
Oh, well, I just assume she worked there too, you know.
Well, that's an assumption which can very much be so. But
okay,
however,
but what you say, she no work there. You see you see she no work there, him bring her there.
Whether or not she worked there, it was the man's office, right? At the man's workplace. And the man bring her there. So I'm saying that when you go say, boy, should the woman them get beaten for take a man? I said no.
Okay.
The woman them now they go to rape man at a gunpoint and seduce man. The man's weakness or strength have a lot to do with whether or not they end up with another woman.
Okay, but what you say about the woman them now, who know the man, know the woman who him there with, know sometimes know say married, them know say so it's set up, and them still step to the man because him have something with them want. What you say about that?
But then again, it's the onus is on the man to know say, boy, I may have a woman in my yard where everything when me want me get it, so me no have no need to go stray.
But what if everything? But that's see you go right now precarious now, you know. Why if him not get everything from what? Cause you know you do man talk about young girl and whatever this and why? What if some outside woman bring something to the table where wife and not send on?
However, if the woman at the house is lacking in anything, whatever, and the man will have to go out there looking for it, then he wouldn't blame the other woman, blame herself. Go get herself qualified and updated.
But what if it's something that she absolutely refuse to do because it just cross a certain line, and at the same time she don't want to lose her husband? How she manage?
Refusal. If it's a refusal from the man of what that man prefer, then you have a choice whether or not to having him going out there to get it or to giving him that he don't have the reason to stray.
No, but Ras, what may I say is, may I try for as presenter here and whatever. Me I see some woman now, I say, my husband and my man want me to go do certain things when I no want to do, right? But at the same time, he's a good husband and a good man, right? So I don't want to lose this husband and man. And probably he's a father of my children and so. But I just cannot go over and go do them the same thing there. So then fear option then now is what me I say is what choices are available to a woman in that position. I mean, she might just resort to say, you know what, I don't want to lose him, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to fight off any woman who will draft him.
That's right. You see, having a woman like that take that stand, right? As one of the was it an emailer who said that when she do that now, there's no guarantee that having beat up the 10, 20 woman that you know of is going to make the man still go back to the other 15 where you don't know about. And when you beat up that one you're going to Port Augustus, the same thing where you refuse from having your husband do to you or you do to your husband, you're going to have woman doing it to you and you have to return it to them at Port Augusta.
Oh, God. All right, sir.
So, you see, in the long run, it doesn't work. All right. I don't want a woman when me have to jealous of over like how she
but you know, say you have enough woman that listen and I say, Raskava, you're lucky. Any woman she's in here, man, she take it to them.
Yes,
you know, you have a whole heap of woman that look at listen and say, you can't go and talk.
I agree. But however, don't let the rush of blood rush to your head and get you to do something that you have to end up doing the same thing where you never want to do. But you do it for your husband or to your husband and go do it for a woman or to a woman.
All right, sir.
So, I don't want a woman when any woman I have, I may have to jealous of her that me can't sleep. I may have to have people on corner watch her. Me no want her. You cannot live her life for her. You can't live the man life for him. You cannot be weird the man. Right now, Nicole is in Mandeville. And when the man gone on in field job, they meet up when wherever they meet. What can she do about that? The husband is still seeing Nicole.
Oh, but you can't say that the husband still has seen Nicole. You don't know that.
Brethren, Nicole was the man's choice over her. So the man still...
No, you don't say over.
Alongside her.
Okay.
And the man it had not severed tie with Nicole. Only that...
But you don't know that, Raskava. You don't know if Nicole really run away and say, I don't want nothing because your wife mad. I don't want nothing.
Right. But now that I'm away from your mad wife, I'm more free to do it still.
Yeah.
So, you can't be certain that you beating up Nicole, I go say, you bleak me up, you think me I left him and you get beaten for him already. Watch me and you. And now Nicole I do it night double.
All right, Papa.
You need to, sister, just see yourself, build up your self-esteem and say, oh, I know me I feel no pain. You can't go out to go hold out yourself. Look more when you're done, me still there strong.
All right.
And I just love to say give thanks to the ones them who supported them the high school thing on Friday. And reminder that Sunday is the reception for the priest who's going to repatriate to Ethiopia.
All right.
Scotts Pass Bingi Center.
At where? At where?
Scotts Pass Bingi Center, Sunday.
Sunday, what time?
Starting at 3.
And he might go back to Ethiopia?
No, back to that town, no back to another Ethiopia.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry.
I go forward to Ethiopia.
I go forward to Ethiopia.
All right.
Rasta tag, them for know. All right, Papa. Well, I'll read that email before I go up and break ready. Top of the morning, Raga. If I was just a little older, I would marry you. No lie about it.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing. What we say, Ragashanti Live, yeah? The real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Once a big up to the Pimento Warehouse crew from Debbie. Hey, Pimento crew, I know someone left me out there from way over so. Someone large at the Pimento Warehouse crew. For real. When I foundation up in the thing, yeah? Okay, quick email. Hi, hey Raga. Want you to big up the Jamaica National crew in New Kingston, especially the IPC department. Enough respect cause a rabalack thing for life. Straight color bar, yeah, as Elva would have said. Heal up my boo at E-Service in Portmore. Enough girl a create excitement about them and the wife and a them alone. But man a man, and King Solomon was the wisest man, and every woman want a wise man. So what I tell you, hear me, big up, always, and always listen to the program every day, yo. Go and do your thing, boss. To the phone lines we go. Top of the morning, the issue for the week is it the case that some women deserve to get a beating for all them a fool on other woman, man? Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning again, Raga.
Yeah.
Alligator pond.
Alligator pond?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What go down here now?
Boy, this a 5 week. It's a pick of the week. Me back you 100%, you know. They deserve it, you know.
Who deserve what?
No, the woman deserve the beating, man. People.
Some woman deserve a beating?
Yes, no, man.
Who a fool run an ex-woman, man?
Yes,
Why
man.
you say that? Why you say that?
Me, I go give you my experience,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Me married, right?
Yeah.
And my husband still in love. And I mash down for me gungo tree every time. And I warn him about it. And he said, nothing now go on. So, with me neighbor that, you know, Raga.
Well, on, what you say a while ago? Your husband, what?
I still little piece right at the fence side of my neighbor.
Right at the fence side?
And I mash down for me gungo them when me plant. And when me get to sign out now and catch him red-handed now, me just draw my machete and whop up him and whop up the woman.
And are your neighbor?
Yes, never a dream.
So why do you slap him up with the machete and slap up she too?
Whop them up. The two of them get it.
The two of them? So wait, are your next door neighbor?
Yes, no man.
Then she talk to you, somebody who you talk to?
Yes, no man. Everything me have me always give her, man.
So anytime you get her food and them something to help her out?
Yes, no man.
And she broke your foot behind your back?
I broke my foot.
And
you know, them bread, you know what?
Okay, so you feel so because you and her talk and you know you give her your things and so forth and things and move good and disrespect, you know?
True, man.
And you feel that justify I take it to her, right?
Yeah, man.
But you beat him too?
Yes, the two of them.
So what? It done, you know? Or it still happen?
Long time.
It done long time. You sure?
On top, no.
You're up on top, you know?
Yes, no, man.
Why you say you're going to go tree now?
They kill the gungo tree, but they alright.
So what going on the alligator pond there now?
Why? It's rough, you know.
Alright.
And them now come in with nothing. But they right I see front, you know.
Them now come in with nothing. Why? You fish them low?
Yes, man.
Why is that? Why you think that happen?
The current in the sea,
Oh, so when the current, depending on the current in the sea, it's hard for them to catch
man,
fish.
They can't find the pot when current they see, you know.
Them can't find the what?
The pot them, the fish pot.
Oh, the fish pot them. Oh, okay. Do they lose the pots too?
No, they're not losing at the current. The current will draw them under the water.
Okay, so the current have to change now for them find the pot
yes,
them.
Man, so they float back.
And then, okay, and then you can get the fish them. So until then, things kind of sticky.
Yes, man.
All right, hold on here, baby.
Yes, man. But I want to make 2 shout out, you know.
Rinse it now.
I want to send birthday greetings to my mother, Cinderella Sinclair in Bull Savannah.
All right.
All of 74 years today.
Wonderful.
And to my son, Chester Roach, also in Bull Savannah. He's 24 years today.
All right.
And I'm wishing them all the best.
Yeah, man. Enough respect here.
Hoping they'll live to see me anymore.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye. Your auntie, you call Raga.
Auntie.
You're so hard to get.
Osh, yeah. Osh.
Me take you with a smile.
All right,
Come
then
here, hear your
bless.
voice.
All right.
Anytime you're not there, you just make we know your answer, because them the one want to come push up and go on like a them run things.
All right.
And then you know, so they have to take with themselves.
All right, baby.
So you just keep it lock on jiggy. You hear?
Yeah, man.
All right, love you. Bye-bye.
Every time, baby. So it go. Yeah, email. I tell you, so this cold and flu, yeah. But me I fight it still, It's clear flu thing at work, going on. Okay. Email, big up Raga, I love you. This is Karen, a.k.a. Cheboom from Maypen. I listen to your show all day time. And it's sell off. Raga, you're the bomb. Send me a picture, please. Well, picture. Oh, you can see a picture of me at ragashanti.com. www.ragashanti.com. Ragashanti.com. Here we go. Good morning, Raga and Reggie. Sorry to hear Ruthie not feeling well today. Well, Raga, I'm hoping you will document some of these things to put in a book one day so people can read up on some of the things that goes on in the world. Honestly, there's a lot that is out there that needs to be documented. And since you're exposed to all of it on your show, you will be the best author. Don't worry, I deal with that. Love always, and big up all family members in Clarendon, Chapelton, 4 Parts. And remember, we're still looking into doing a research on why your show is so sweet. This is Ivan from New York. Again, Ivan from New York, who no left way out and thing. And she said, big up all our relatives them over there in Chapelton, 4 Parts, Clarendon. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. I look like that person, the Lego. Next call. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Like we have some little phone issues here. Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Raga?
Yeah, man.
Hey, what's up?
Why we not there?
Samantha.
1 second. There's a weird duppy echo in our phone, Reggie. You hear it? I go, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, which Samantha this?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, the Samantha? Plunger Samantha? Samantha, where is the baby?
What's up?
Why? You must have listened to the show that days we laugh when the people ever react to your call. Eh?
I say, what is it?
No, you don't do nothing to yourself. I just say you call it sell off. And when you call it
sell
eh?
It's a ring sort of way.
For real.
People say, Samantha, are you that? I say, you're good. Anyway, I'm going to believe in the fight of a man,
You're not joining that?
No, sir, because I have to put on makeup on my face and I can't take the telephone scar them. I can't make a girl mash up my face. If I can't run, if I can't pull up.
You see, so if you're in a situation...
Make a girl burn me upon them something because I have to look good.
You see, so if you're in a situation with a man, where a woman send threat to you and call you and tell you if you leave a man alone and thing, you back out?
Yeah, if you back out because you good like that 300 grand on your face.
Okay.
So if I cut. No, son, a girl now come diss me up a road and them things.
But you know, say some woman are there with the man, Or the man left them or them not there with the man. But them still call. Them just still call for scare you off.
If I go burn a woman, a decent woman, I burn them woman they way carry the thing on the road. I'm going to find out what woman stay. If a woman, you go,
Wait, let me try. Yeah, what you do? You're an uptown woman, you feel that man you're born with, though.
But I want to, there's some money there again. I forgot where money then, and the woman then come around, pay you for left.
Them woman then go step to you and go skettle up the thing at you.
No, man, you deal with the thing these days, and they rather call you and pay you for left.
The woman then rather call you and pay you for left?
Yeah, rather tell you, say, listen, babe.
Wait, have you ever known a situation like that?
Yeah, well, woman I say, I beg you, please, I don't want him left, I rather pay you to make him stay.
I joke here, man. Not no gossip. Not no gossip, Samantha.
Raga, you have uptown woman, no want them thing on road, them no want him man left, no can which part them come from, them no want go back this way. And then So you know uptown woman, you have a man different. You have a man way a man rate you.
Yeah, and the woman will call the woman who her husband are born with and offer to pay that woman if it doesn't.
Yeah, the PR for left her cut it down and not make no big thing out of it. And I know and you know one left and I not threaten you, I not do nothing. You have baby in this Raga, you have woman. I don't know them get them money, but them have their money.
I was say, but no, big and serious. And you know of a situation where that go down?
Not in Jamaica, it's up in a small island.
Oh, in a small island when that they go down?
Yeah.
Okay, but careful, you know, because when some of them uptown women there, they may not do the thing, you know. But them send people for do what is what. And me know of several things where certain things go down and not my business, you know. I have to keep them more short. But don't take none of them women lightly, you know.
No, man, you can't take the thing lightly. You have to
don't take them lightly.
You have to have a thing undercover, you know. You have to look behind the same way. You have to have somebody watch your back the same way.
See, them may not walk with the monkey lotion, but they will send somebody to walk with it. And thing, and then will pay them money.
But Raga, when you do them thing, they call woman serious over them money, you have to do your thing far out, you know, no chill back here, you know.
You see it? Well, so nowadays, if you take an next woman, man, you have to know if you do it because the thing trick you out there, right?
Yeah, the thing trick you out there, you have to keep all the man afar off and even want him come, you know, you don't even want him come near to your place.
Oh, see?
You don't even want a man know which part you live.
You see it? You see it?
Mean?
Because next thing you know, the woman could have gone know where you live.
And the woman are chill. And the woman are chill, the man.
And things. Everything have to do outer.
Yeah, you have to keep a thing going.
So I said the hotel, them do good business, you know.
My God, them make money. I want that more. I invest in a Raga.
What hotel? You can't lose if you have a look hotel on you, know.
Yeah, people say them are going and them man come out of them that buck up and nobody can say what them are the wrong thing. The man say, oh, me are come out and my woman are going.
So wait, are you aware of cases where woman are fight off other woman over man out there?
Yeah, I burn them up.
Burn them up? What you mean? What you mean?
Burn them up, burn up them face, throw acid on them and something.
Because the one that take the next one, man.
Yeah, Raga, yeah. You see when me are going, me I make sure say the door lock and no way from outside for open the door.
Oh, see?
Make sure say well lock and I must kick that woman. I will kick off the door cause.
Why? You have reason to think that a woman.
Because anything that can go down, Raga.
No, what I mean is in terms of what go on with you. You know, what you talk to anybody now you think might belong to.
No,
like another woman may want to claim.
No, sir. Probably woman a claim, but me don't know nothing about them. Them the far them thing and my colleague and my gun. Cause me not too. You know holiday thing, you know, Raga.
What you say?
You know the summer thing.
You know the summer thing. You know the holiday thing.
No, sir.
Your colleague and your gun.
You take away if you get and a cut me cut cause the long time thing now going around here. No drive up a yard now going around here.
No drive up a yard around here.
No, Raga.
No take up residence around here.
Me no long holiday thing, Raga.
What me while it stretch you and move.
Yeah, you a quick move and
yeah.
You drop off your money and you move fast.
Lego, you know? Yeah, and you meet outer.
Yeah, we out, Raga.
We out. Far out.
Oh, I'm here, Raga. Sometimes you meet them on phone and when you go to you like ask the person, is this carrying done? And them say yes. But then my person if you go meet anyway, I'm ugly, Raga, you have to make case and turn back.
Oh.
But sometimes I make some mistake, I dial some number, so you them Raga. No, call back your number. No, man, I don't think it's a mistake. And you really attack and talk.
And a reason.
Well, you tell him say you're well brown, that you're black. You tell him say I wear purple, that you're in a pink.
You see?
When you go there, you go turn up and lick the person, ask the person if I at the city there. Yeah, I'm waiting on somebody myself, I really don't know.
And then when you see him not ready now, you just let go.
Just take a taxi and go back to your yard.
So, but if him proper, you may give him a talk.
Yeah, if him probably look proper, you give him a talk.
Samantha, you know, easy, you know?
But the thing set up a way, Raga, we have to look out a way I am. I'm in the lick thing, because my proper Raga, I can't take a lick.
You can't take the war thing. You can't.
Like the war.
Well, you can't fight.
No, sir, but if I fight, I fight, but
you're not a real gangster girl. Well, because some women out there just love fighting.
Raga, I not fight for man, Raga. Who him? After I'm more than me, Raga.
Well, you say you can't love a man enough where you reach a point where you fight for keep him?
No, sir, Raga.
Well, you cannot be in love with a man to the point where you feel say you'd have to fight for keep him the way you love him.
It never happened.
It never happened. You not see it happen.
I not see it happen, Raga.
Oh?
You mad when the girl bust me and sing and left me?
You see it.
When him blind me and burn me up, what am I doing with me?
You see it.
Him gone to she. You mad and watch me and walk on either one part of my face and something there.
Okay.
I'm not fight over him. You know, if you want to go, baby, please go.
All right.
And if I have him to myself and me realize I'm going to him, I say, babe, put on the boots, rear condom. But I carry nothing can give me.
Oh, you just tell your man
that?
Yeah,
we tell him plain, say, listen, whatever you do out there, you cover up yourself.
All right.
Nobody carry nothing come
Saggle up, no beer back thing.
No, sir, no beer back thing.
Put on your shoes when you walk through grass buckle.
Sometimes I tell him, say, listen, the girl and we feel good and them look good and everything, wear your boots, same way.
See it?
Same feeling you're going to get. And if you want left and go on, him left and go on.
All right, Samantha, bless up here.
You take care.
Yeah, man, every time. All right. Quick email before we go for this break. Hi, Raga, I listen to your show every morning and cannot study until 12 o'clock. I am seeing this guy, and he's married, but I'm telling you, he is a great guy. Raga, I send him a text once a day, and the wife read it. No, I send him a text one day, and the wife read it and called me trying to disrespect me. I listen to her and then softly tell her that if she thinks she was a good wife, what is it she had to worry about? Few minutes. Okay. And then softly tell her that if she thinks she was a good wife, what is it she had to worry about? A few minutes later, she called and apologized. Guess what, Raga? She is a doctor. Keep doing the thing. Keep doing your thing as you know how to do it. I learned a lot from your show. Thank you. I won't call your name here, baby, even though you put it in. It's you're writing in from Mandeville. But sometimes, depending on how the email write, I don't call the name. But enough respect here. Mandeville girl, where your name start with M, big respect. Well, we'll break, we'll soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our Sin Thing Scene, the real Jamaican talk show for real. With me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti, scene, yeah. Have a look a big up here. I say big up to Antsman and Wayne from Everclean Car Wash down there in the halfway tree. Antsman and Wayne from Everclean Car Wash down there in the halfway tree. Enough respect. All halfway tree massive were locking on the radar right now. Large up scene. What we say car salon, all up road. Big up to the whole owner down there. Everything is everything. Email you know. I don't personally. I'm reading a new email. Yeah. Why some girl must get them ASS bus. Here we go. I don't personally condone women fighting over men. I personally would not do it. But most of it is because of hype. A woman will take your man in a Raga. And she go see you. I go about your business. And because of hype, she go throw a word. I want to make you know, say, as she take your man. Right then and there, I go get her ASS bus. Not just because she take the man, but because she pass her place. For a bowl with it. Pan top of it. Big up my brother them, Darren, Jacoval, Franklin. Him so boss. A reggae superstar in the making. And sampling Gina. Big up Mark Antonio Cargill, who celebrated his 17th birthday December 5th from their sister Donnie. In Germany? Is this coming from Germany? I'm not sure. And the sister Donnie, Germany, I don't know. No, but that's an interesting point that call I am making, is that you have some woman out there, boy, them just love take a woman, man, and just talk up things to her. All I walk, anybody who come from ghetto, they know exactly what I talk about. When you go dance all, I want to go dance and thing, and y'all look back on some video. Some woman that talk up something in a video in a Reggae, but if a man them a take on what sweet and whatever and this and that, and if a girl not like it, if I come defend it and be things going up in the video more time, and things a woman there with a man, and a woman does a walk and see her point blank and just loud her up certain way and thing. You must burn her. Well, I saw it set up. Boy, I may tell you, say the flow and the thing, easy more time, but throat hurt me. For real, but throat hurt me, boy. I juggle. Top of the morning to you, hello.
Hello, morning.
Yeah.
Morning, Raga. This floor mash me down too.
Yeah, I tell you, it rough me up and thing, man.
Yeah, man, but a serious thing, You have some girl that's bright up with it.
What you mean?
Boy, I tell you about 5 years ago, after I just had my first baby.
Yeah.
Right? My phone ring. This girl called me.
Yeah.
She know me and me don't know her. Anytime she see me, she go beat me.
Why?
Because she take my man.
So she a take your man?
Yes, and I call me.
And I intimidate you for you like the man where she like.
Why me I tell you?
So how that did end up, man?
Why me tell her the gate number, me tell her when to come.
Cause you now back.
Me not go fight over the man. But if a girl go beat me, if a girl want beat me, me I go to stand up and make she beat me.
No, that can't work.
But
no go so.
But any girl that take my man Raga, me not confront no girl about that. Me I confront my man about it because of him go look at her.
You see it.
You understand? And that Rasta man we call earlier, and him a mix up in a bangarang too, you know.
Oh, Raskava.
Yes, the man will say, boy, you have to do anything your man wants, and if the woman refuse, that's why I'm going. That's a foolishness.
No. Him never say you have to do it, you know. Him say you must know that is a choice that you have.
No, Raga, no. If you don't want to do a thing because the man wants to do it,
yeah,
and it's a degrading thing, Raga,
yeah,
you're not going to do it.
And you're not going to do it.
And if him love you, I'm not going to road.
No, but what Raskava says, all right, fine, you say, boy, that degrading. And him a tell you, say, but no, a regular thing out the road, everybody a do it. When you don't just try it, and Riri, you more want to do it because I love you, and Riri. And you are saying, no, I'm not do that. What him a say, no, you must understand that. Another woman out the road, I go do it. That's all he must say. Him now tell you, say, you must compromise, you know. He must say, you must just face the reality that another woman out the road, I go do it.
And Raga, if the man really love you and you don't want it, that him not go road still.
Well, that's true.
Him not go.
But me could talk up the thing, them and straight. You have enough man who say, all right, boom, wife don't want to do it, but me I talk in with wife the same way. But talk the truth. Me can't use the language when them I use, but a regular thing out the road where them say, so and so, this and that, where the man from, so and so. Don't you know it? You have enough woman who see a good man in a relationship, no says a good man, no says a kind man, good looking man, this and that man, and who see a good man in a relationship, no says a good man, no says a kind man, good looking man, this and that man, and them would just, put on the pressure upon the man.
Yeah, but putting on the pressure, Raga, and the woman I got this you in the process. You understand me?
Yeah.
The woman I got bright up with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I not say the man can't go road in a Raga.
Yeah.
But make it stay out there now.
Oh, okay.
Bright up with it.
Okay. And that's your issue when the woman are bright up with it.
Exactly. When the woman are bright up with it, that them time the man get a lick.
So you say in general, at the man you got, you're not going to worry the woman. But if she come and bright up with it and thing like that, you're not back. You're going to take it to her.
I'm mad, Raga.
You're going to give it to her.
Straight.
Prop her up. All right then, baby. Blessings here.
All right, Raga.
Every time. Okay, good day, Raga. I recently discovered your program, and since then it has been making my day. Must I say you have a wonderful show. Well, on the issue of fighting a next girl for your man, my all feet. I used to be the other girl one time, and the wife did serious about her man, so I decided this was not for me. However, if he is my man, I'm going to do everything to keep him, including making a girl know, say, I'm my man that. Raga, some girl bright, and you need to put them in a them place. Even more so if he's a good man, and those type of men are hard to get, then it becomes very necessary to fight for him. I will do that any day to keep the man I love. Oh, you hear the thing that, don't know, so when it comes on the show, we bring it real, Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Nikki is from Dela Creeper.
Nikki Dela Creeper. Why you say, baby?
No, but Raga, I don't know why.
Eh?
I don't know why, but I don't know. No woman never take my man yet. Me ever be the one for take your man.
You never take no woman never take your man yet?
Never.
Oh,
and
you know.
I look good, man.
And your man look good.
Keep him and talk, Raga, and can't gonna realize me. Say him anyway, I'm going to tell me.
Whatever. Oh, you know, say him not give her the thing. Oh, you know him not give her the thing, and you don't know.
Him there every minute. Him not even want to go work when him for go work. And him say enough for going to go.
No.
If him want to go, Raga, me I tell you some I'm a man on top. But anyways, Raga, I'm getting at the meet at the matter.
Yeah.
Raga, when I was 16, I used to go to school. Then and things.
Yeah. Then you used to go, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man. But when I used to in the scheme, I really come out and mingle with the people, them and team. Because I remember have me laugh and we and thing.
Yeah.
So I come out the road and thing. But
yeah.
I have to pass the people in the corner and go to school and clean back and thing.
Yeah.
Raga, the blues, Valentine's Day, This man, I never see him always. I always see him, but he's not really. Me say, evening and goodbye and whatever. I don't know them for talk up to and thing.
Yeah.
So Valentine's Day, the man come to me and give me this big basket with beer, chocolate, and beer, something with this teddy bear and say a long time I'll marry me and thing.
Yeah.
So no, Raga, me take it now, but I can't go. I don't know if I can bring it in my house. I'm going to ask me this one bag of question because she love investigate and thing. Anyways, I'm going in and I say, I'm a friend from school. Can you come give me and thing?
Yeah.
Anyways, no, Raga, me go to my father and win my road. And one day, my mother call me on the phone and tell me, say, this lady come on at the house. I look for me because me, I take fear, man. So I'm going to start being in time because woman to come in my yard and me so quiet and hear me, I go tell me.
And them time they are behave, you are good behaving yourself, ardent girl, don't it?
Yeah. Come tell me, say me can take fear, man. So my mother say me for come down now because say she don't know what to do and what I'm not, and for come down now and she not business me, I go get my ass papa and one because some she started to me. So I come down from 12 o'clock and I say in here. Well, if a girl send me to come and well, me I go face the sun. I'm come down, Raga. I'm there a wait. I'm take my clothes and I'm put a shake up. I'm ready for you and thing in a Raga. I'm saying, but in the night, the woman come now and she come on my house and she say, is your name Nicole? Because the man, because I don't know the man from Adams to Eve.
Yeah.
I never tell him, so what kind of Valentine's present come give me and thing.
Yeah.
And they give me number and thing and he text me and she go get the number and thing.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm nervous at first, Raga, because I say, me a goody Nicole and body in the skin and know me and what and that. So I'm like, yes, I'm Nicole. So she said, is you calling Wayne phone? I said, no, me say call Wayne phone. If you don't say that is Wayne calling me.
Talk up.
So go on, Raga, because me get bigger, because my sister them did it, I'm not, my sister, my little penny doing a Raga, but me bigger than them, so me have to set the trend and thing.
Yeah.
So me did that. Someone said, no, I'm not call your man, your man call me. So same time of your man call me and I get, Raga.
Same time what?
Same time when she then I get,
yeah.
She call me on my phone, some answer, in front of them say, yes, Wayne.
Well, when you answer it, you say, yes, Wayne.
Yes, Wayne, because she knows say, he call me, and she don't chat her same out, and he call me. Some say, yes, Wayne. And him say, you can't run out from the gate. And I say, man, up there say, I call you. Him say, I must come up to your yard and move from the gate. No, so I say to him, man, big woman, not telling her, and I look up at me, So she did a chat. I'm say, look here. I never asked Wayne if your folk look here, and if your folk could dig good, the cock would fly out. So I say to her, I'm astonished, because she has a good Nicky or whatever. So anyways.
Well, I make a break and come back here. We'll come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly. And just before we go back to Nikki, quick email. Morning, Raga. I've been in that situation before. This is a lady writing, where my best friend had an affair with my boyfriend, and January Raga, me nearly kill her. But true, me know say, me no fight over man, me just leave her alone, cause what go round, have to come back round. Me and her and a friend no more still. That's why me hardly keep girlfriend. Anyway, big up yourself, Raga. Hi, sexy Reggie. I don't have much credit to hear your sweet voice today, but I'll hear you another day. Reggie, I'll have that last part there for you, Anyway, back to Nikki. Top of the morning to you.
Yes, anyway,
yeah.
I'm telling you, I said, man, love me so till I me can't drive, because I say me 16 and thing.
Yeah.
He used to give my uncle all his vehicles for drive, and me and the man are two up in a car. I say me a staying girl, so he can't see me and things, so he know the thing set up.
Yeah.
So him all give me my uncle the vehicle for drive me around anywhere I want to go and thing, and the wife I get suspicious and thing, and some girl on there that carry my name to already see me and them know me or whatever.
Oh, see?
But you see the same girl them we carry my name to the woman Raga.
Yeah.
You never sign out to them girl that take the man too.
I take the man
but
too.
you don't know what happened. The man start give me beer things now, so it look like for them show flap and nothing now go on for them again.
A jealousy thing.
Him realize them must realize me I take the cake and him never really give them same care.
Yeah, get the cake and them I get the icing.
Everything. They not get nothing wrong and I see the icing they not get. I see the knife them a smell. So me I tell her no Raga say look like a daughter burn them no, you know Raga.
Yeah.
So them go carry my name to the woman and thing, but me have it well prepared. Me say Raga, every day I say why my man or my man them when me I take out a road, why them can't the one them will wife me up and thing.
Yeah.
Why no woman never look for take them yet and them a good looking man? Or why no woman never call? Me say me just want one woman call my phone one day, Raga. Me say me I want a girl a take me man, Raga. Me say it to Raga. Me say Raga.
Why if you find out your woman a take your man, what you da do?
Me say Raga. I woulda salt and pepper, that season her done, she'd never take her next girl, man.
That salt and pepper, you da onion her.
Season her.
No people uptown don't know what you mean by seasoning. I get a thing that, so tell them exactly what you mean by.
Well, Raga, you put the pepper, you get little pepper, little salt, little seasoning, little spice, little like everything.
Yeah.
I need to say if I make it well hot, you know, Raga. And you just when I catch them, kind of, you alone will catch them in a Reggae. Have a friend them and thing.
Okay.
And you just tie them up. Me all tie up the hand them and tie up the foot them open up. And I say when me don't see you.
Hold on. Where you say tie up the foot them open up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No say no more. You serious? No, man. Hold on. No. Hold on, Nikki, but me no seasoning doing at the face. Me never know seasoning do this, so.
Do not wish party do, Raga.
No, what the most I woman them women know who are war on a season of that woman. Them do it in the face. Me never know say them.
Them do it in the face.
Yeah, them do it. I mean, know them are do it in the face, but what you just said and tie out the foot them and whatever.
That need to do, but I know people do that because I know some long time get a girl when me used to par with and thing when I never live in a scheme and thing.
Yeah.
Big woman I used to go dance and stuff.
Yeah.
I know how them do that to girl already, and when them done with them, me laughing at the girl's face and them say, so you tease the girl.
So what them do? Them just hold it, that like them go with the crew. So a girl I take her next, a girl I take her next to my man and thing. So them get her crew and them mix up them seasoning and them hold her and tie up one foot and tie her foot.
Yeah. And them the in the hole in the rock.
Oh no, you can't say no more, babe. You can't say no more, yeah. Right, but what you say, them get deep down in it.
Yes, Raga.
But that not the high, that no wickedness, man. That is terrible.
Yeah, Raga, no girl man she want take.
No,
she will never take her next girl man. She will probably never even take another man for the rest of her life when she don't.
No, but what I'm saying though, that just sound like something just harsh and cruel. That sounds terrible, my girl. That sounds terrible. Even if a woman I take him, man, that just sound like a wicked thing for do to her.
No, Raga, if them I get bright with it too, you know, because some of them well bright, because I know a girl where they are dance, and then they kind of stay there, and every minute them up in a video light, and them and show the thing, and go on and say, yeah, man, tay, and talk up the things, them girl lady for season.
No, well, me don't know about why the season thing they sound cool the way you explain it. But me see that I go on a dance, right? Me see a woman go up in a video line.
That's what them do,
hold on, call a woman name. Call a man name, call a woman name and say, your husband, which part your husband live, but which part you live, I rent him rent there. So see where him live here. And you know what she pine pan. All right. So she call a woman name, you know, in the video light, you know. This a video, big dance, I go find and say, you are your husband may live over there, but I rent him over. So see where him live here. And she pine pan the thing. Them thing they hard. Anyway, Nikki, let me bring you two other caller before I go here.
Then
take care, baby. Straight respect. Yeah, man, every time, man. All right. Raga. That woman there, she good like gold. She need to open her own private investigation service. I'm talking about the woman from earlier. Me did want to know if she dust the tires and take sample of the dirt for tell. Say him did there watch it. This a come from Tommy Fatulous. See? That come from Tommy Fatulous. Okay. Oh, quick. Raga, you should call her briefing. Woman should not beat other woman because after beating, the man normally goes back to the other woman. Big up all family members. Interesting point right there. See it? Okay. Hi, Raga. I want you to big up Modern Data Crew in Santa Cruz. We listen to your program every day. You show a sell-off from Navita. Enough respect, Navita. Now watch nothing. Morning, Raga. This is Trisha and Maxine. We listen to you every day. Enough respect and big up because you show a sell-off and I make enough profit concerning woman who fight over man. I hear that thing that because the man forget the beating. He's the one who astray. Okay. Some interesting points are coming through the email them. Okay. Raga, these women must read Proverbs 31 verse 10 to 12. Well, we see what that. Somebody have got to check out that. Proverbs, where we go? So on. Raga, mix up, sell off. She had a perfect she had a prefect in the thing. Something like a Catholic, eating the apple, plus the eunuch use the next. All she can talk. Foot could work with the CIA. That man is under every man has. She could write a book. Mark Shields need to have her solve some of our unsolved crimes. Also, she could write a book. Angela, line murder she wrote. Now have nothing over her. Only thing I don't like that whole thing is the emasculation. Don't call my name. I can't take the rinsing. Okay, me know who that. Here we go. Phone line. Good morning.
Yo, Raga.
Yo, sir.
Wagwan, Papa.
Not there, King.
Ice man.
Cool, no, King. What you say?
Boy, we are taking the program. We are listening to Wagwan, Raga. Boy, you have to play for Lockstar.
Cool, no, man.
Raga, me can't believe that anything is still going.
Nah, but that go on. It a increase.
Yo, me I tell you, rapidly together.
You see it?
Yo, me can't believe that woman them serious like that.
Yeah, man, them a roll deep hard out there.
Me hear one woman say, boy, that beat female and beat the woman with one cutlass. Then sitting right that really happen, man.
Oh, you mean? You have some woman around to take it to them man to, slap them up with some machete and thing.
Yo, Raga, boy, that the woman I'm afraid of that, trust me. Remember me tell you. Yeah, man, I mean, have some people there, And some people want to shout up a film, want to big up Bella film, know if them pass through Saturday still, but me name up on the corners,
All right, Papa.
Want to big up the bad coward security,
All right. But, yo.
Well, no things are going on.
Boy, I'm there, all that strength in us, sweetie.
Why do you watch the system or set up?
Everything is everything, man.
Why, I tell us everybody just the man them just kill out the man them. So a pure man I go left now. What we gonna do?
Right, but you see them a kill woman too.
Why? But I'll be happy them too.
You see it. Anyway, I'm squeezing one other person before we go away here.
Yeah, cool now.
Yeah, all right. Take care. Yeah, man. Bless up. One more call before we let go for the day. Morning.
Hello, morning.
Yeah, we only have a minute here.
Yeah, man. Raga, you think them should have beat the man instead of beat the woman them?
Well, that some people say. Say the man them.
Have your man and him.
Hold on. Remember, you can't say them SH word there, yeah?
Yeah, but yeah. Why use them the energy there to go dig up what him a do? When you go around the corner, they suppose one man go catch him around there with. Save yourself them embarrassment. They take care of your body.
What you say? Suppose you go catch a man with the next man?
What I'm saying, the energy, that's just a speak. The energy when you go take for go beat woman, have to go do the detective work. How long grew up before time, man?
All of that. Yes, too much effort for God.
Fix up yourself, get yourself confident going and look good. Me a big woman, me a married woman. When I walk on road, the young youth, them boy, that big woman, they look good. Put your energy into looking good, feeling good, and have your things set.
All right, then. Blessings here.
Yes, cool.
Okay. Last email before we go. Hi, Raga. What's up? Love your show. Just want to say enough respect to my boo, Desi Poo. He's chilling and listening to your program. I know he's having fun listening to this week's topic. Tell him to stay sweet and be patient. Be patient. Desi Poo must not get. Hi, Reggie. Hi, Ruth. Lots of love for you, Raga. Keep up the good work. New family member, Crazy Kid. Should I read this? Wait a minute. We got to one now. And thing. Even the people that don't know we juggle it, 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock every day. Right here, so Ragashanti Live. The real Jamaican talk show with me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. Take care of yourself. Sooner tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Wow.